Hello, Siras. Assalamualaikum. Can you hear me?
Sorry,
Hello.
Mr. How are you?
Um, can you hear me? I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me right now?
Yes, better.
Okay. How
Okay,
are you?
cool. I'm good. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. How about you? Okay, great. So now, I already shared the screen. Okay. So, all right. So, Siraj, so what happened? Which part that you want to what we call emphasize more? How to explain more details? Which part that you feel a bit problematic one? Just let me know.
My problem is on the structure precise,
Mm-hmm.
okay, structure precise,
Mm-hmm.
and SOP. Because I feel like I'm doing the SOP on the wrong place sometimes. That's why. For example, let's go for gold on
Mm-hmm.
4 hour time frame.
Okay.
Did you see this engulfing cell? Down.
This one, you mean?
No, down.
But no more down, like this.
Down. Down. No, the down one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
So price enters zone. Let's go to H1.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
On H1,
Mm-hmm.
price give me engulfing cell.
This area, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
waited for price to close there. Then I went to M15.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then I waited for this. I waited for this engulfing field on M15.
You wait for the engulfing field and F15. Which part? There's a lot. You
And
wait for
then
engulfing field to sell this area?
no, for left side.
Another this one?
Yes.
Okay.
So when
Mm-hmm.
price from there, I sell.
Okay. You sell here.
Yeah,
This one or this one?
this one.
This one, the second one.
This the second one.
Okay. Then you sell here. Okay. Right. So you already sell here. Then after that, hit the BEs. Pull
Yeah.
back again. You see? Come back again. Boom, boom. Okay,
Stop
so
loss.
hit stop loss. Okay, cool. All right. Let me
And
break it down.
and today, okay, and today let's go
Mm-hmm.
back to H4.
Mm-hmm.
The upper EG cell,
There's what?
the up EG cell, the upper one.
This one?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, why why it's giving you EG field? Because in trading view that's a week only.
In trading view, it's gonna be Ingersoll, what?
Yeah, engulfing cell.
Let me check at the trading view. Hold on a second. Another device. Trading view. You're using what broker?
1 minute. Let me check it. I think it's Sasco. I think. 1 minute. My broker on Pepperstone. Pepperstone.
Pepperstone. Oh, Pepperstone is good broker actually. Hold on, let me check. Oh, the line is a bit slow. Because sometimes we need to double check the candlestick at the trading view because it's different. So we have to double check first. Let me see for the gold. Where's the gold? Okay, cool. Gold candlestick. Okay. This is on H4, right? H4. H4, cool. Put something. Check it out inside. Um, oh, for trading view also it's it's giving you engulfing fail. Same thing.
Yeah, it's giving me confirm because in H4 it's all weeks.
Yes, because in H4 in TradingView also, it's still giving you engulfing fail unless you take the this one, this left. Only give you engulf to engulf like that. You see? Let me show you around this area. I screenshot first. This one. Yep, this is on TradingView. Okay, same thing. Unless you take the left one, it will be engulfing.
Let me show you for a minute. Let me show you, see?
Okay, sure.
See?
Oh, what you are using Pepperstone, right? Different one. So for my broker, this is not engulfing sell. So that's why I double check on TradingView. So it's not engulfing sell. It's engulfing fill sell. On the down there. Come again.
Yeah.
Check again.
Yeah.
But you can get an entry around that area too.
Yeah. So let's go to M15 to M1. Sorry, H1.
H1, okay.
Yeah. So here in this place, H1 give me engulfing cell to EG fill, right?
This one.
Yeah, this is engulfing cell. Then down there is EG fill. Yeah.
Okay.
So I waited for price to pull back. It closed with the body. The first pullback.
This one, you mean?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Okay.
Then I jumped to M5, M15, I think.
M15. Okay.
Yeah, M15.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, M15. Then the price was like this. Then I went to M5 because nothing clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you see this engulfing cell on M5?
The single one, you mean this one? Or which one?
No, the next
This
one.
one.
Oh, no,
The
down. Yeah,
This one.
yeah,
Okay.
this one. So I did not enter here. I enter on the next engulfing cell. Yeah, this one.
Entry on next engulfing cell. Here or here?
Yeah, here.
This
Next
one.
one.
Okay.
No, this one, the right one.
No, the right one, this one.
Yeah, I enter here.
You enter here, okay.
Price stop loss.
Hit your stop loss. How many pips you put your stop loss from your entry point?
The highest destruction. My stop loss was up there.
This one.
No, down here.
Down here?
Down the last structure of M5. No,
The
down.
last another down here?
Yes, up there.
Out here.
Yeah, my
Okay.
stop loss.
Okay, no problem. So you put a stop loss around this area. Okay,
Yeah.
like that. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I break down one by one what happened to you. Okay. So first thing, you said to me, okay, I explain the upper one first. Okay, the upper one first. The setup and the structure already perfect already. What I mean already perfect is actually is already created engulfing cell to engulfing cell. Perfect smiley face structure. Price pullback inside our zone, close body inside our zone, and straight away we go to the H1. Okay. When we go to H1 also, price H give you the same thing. H1 give you engulfing sell and engulfing fail, which is mean it's indicate that price are going down. Engulfing sell, breakout, pullback. Same thing. Here's a pullback. Engulfing buy, breakout, pullback. Here's a pullback. Everything's a pullback. Okay. Your entry point, if you look here, is already correct. But the problem is, okay, you put a stop loss. You put stop loss where? You put stop loss around this area, right? Because you enter on M5. So when you enter around M5 and after that you put a stop loss, definitely price gonna take your stop loss. Okay. Okay, what I mean by that is key. Okay, but what I mean by that, if you already entry around this area, okay, you see already that your point of entry is actually on engulfing fail a bit down there. Did you remember or not that I've mentioned you before? Usually price love to make reactions toward in the middle of the zone, like 50% of the zone, like this one. Okay, like example, this is your zone. Okay, price gonna make a reaction, e.g., break up, pull back, and come again to your zone like a 50%, 50% from your zone, like that. So, like this one, you can see already price pull back with a 50% zone. Okay, if you enter on M5, If you enter around M5, this area, right? You enter around this area. Okay, if you put a stop loss, definitely press gonna take your stop loss because I told you before we're gonna use cut loss, not gonna use stop loss. But I know if we use cut loss also, if you entry based on this engulfing setup, okay, you definitely gonna cut loss around this area because price started to break out, right? Okay, so you need to understand one thing. If you have an early entry, you can still hold your position even though price break your setup here. Because why? First thing, you know that you entry not like in the middle of 50% zone. It's really like surface, you see? Even though there's a confirmation of engulfing fail, it still have a potential for the price to break out your zone. Still, you see, price start to hike up on F15, and after price hike up, price start to touch the zone on H1. You see, and not just zone on H1, inside the H1 zone got F15 zone. Price just want to touch and just want to collect the price, and after that price was definitely slowly going down like that. Okay, so here you can see that you have an early entry, and after that you put a stop loss like that. So basically, like I've told you, if you have a several zone like this one, you have a H1 zone like this, you see, same zone, you have two zone, engulfing cell zone, and after that you have engulfing fail zone. You see on the structure on H1 itself, you can see clear picture. Price make a breakout and pull back around this area, one, two. But why price unable to go through first? Because of why? Like I've told you, it have to complete all the jobs first. Collect the price, collect the price that engulfing cell is sitting here first. After collecting the price will definitely slowly going down. How we want to know that price are slowly going to melt down? When price start to sideways and started to make engulfing cell, start to give you another hint. I'm telling you I'm going down like that. Price is telling you like that on H1, not just on H1. F15 also, F15 also telling you the same thing. Because of why? You see, F15 keep on giving you hint that I'm going down. I'm going down because of why? Here. First thing first, like this engulfing cell to engulfing cell, okay? Price will make a smiley face for you. Not just that, whenever price pull back again around this area, price create another engulfing cell again. The structure is there. Okay, there's two, not just two. Price give you another hint. Again, engulfing cell to engulfing cell. That's when price are telling you, giving you a hint. Okay, I'm ready to go down. Just now I don't want to go down yet because I not complete yet my job. I didn't complete yet my job because I need to collect the EG also for up here, because the EG also, if logical thing you can see the EG also like really sitting half of the zone, like in the middle of the zone, compared to this one like a surface of the zone. Understand what I mean, right? Like in the middle of the surface compared to this one. This is like really 50% of the zone. Like that. So after price ready, whenever it's already ready to melt down, price give you another angle of the angle side and started to melt down. Give you another hint. I'm going down again. I'm going down again. So wake up, pull back, and started to go down. So from there, let's say you have a late entry here, maybe you enter around this area, or you miss your entry here, it's okay. Price create another engulfing cell, breakout, and another pullback, Maybe you enter from here. So from here, if you want to collect already, from here up until here already 147 pips already, more than enough. Okay, so the way that your entry is actually correct already, but you have to bear in your mind that, oh, I have an early entry on surface and engulfing fail. Because if I enter on surface, sometimes price will definitely pull back properly inside the zone, in the middle of the zone. Yeah, for example, like this one. So that's why price take your stop loss, and after that, touch the engulfing cell and go down like that.
Okay, now why is price pulling back?
Sorry?
Why is price pulling back right now?
Why price pulling back right now? You mean here, this area?
Yeah.
Okay,
But,
sure, we can find an answer. Why price started to pulling back again, come back again to this zone? Like I told you, this zone is always a valid for the price to pull back. If later price pull back to your zone, make the same confirmation, you can entry sell, no problem, because price still respect your zone. Okay, price still respect your zone. If come again, you can entry sell, go ahead, no problem. But like I told you, be careful, this is a surface. Might be you entry sell here, but then price start to going up again just to touch this angle of sell. Worst case scenario, maybe price can go up until here just to touch this angle of sell, collect the price and continue going down. So be careful with the zoning. So now we try to find why price started to pull back again around this area. We always need to refer to the nearest left, to the nearest left. We go to the M5. Okay, see, try to check and see what happens on M5. Start from here, press make the rejections, press telling you I'm not going up because of why. If you look to the nearest left, that's something that really sitting near with, you know, like we call a side by side to the price. If you pull like this one, there you go. Can you see how many times price started to make reactions towards this zone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times. Trust me, sooner or later, whenever price come again, price definitely going to break this zone. Because it's already been retested too many times already.
Okay, why we did not take this the last engulfing buy?
Sure, if you want to take also can, no problem. Why I take the N1? You mean this
No,
one?
no, the left side, the first left side.
The first left side. The first left side. You mean which one?
No,
Left side.
no, in front. In
Are you
front.
you
Yes,
here?
yes, this one.
This one. Okay, usually, like I told you, I will always look to the bigger picture. Like this one, price keep on making a reaction or rejection around this area, right? This one, around this area, price keep on making a rejection around this area. If you look to the nearest left, like a really, you know, side by side like that, side by side like that, you can see this engulfing. Compare to this EG. You see how aligned and not aligned that the price is. You still can take this one, that one, but for me, I would definitely take this one because price keep on making rejections toward this zone. Okay, so if you feel that you need to take the engulfing too, this engulfing too, if you want to take this engulfing too, yeah, you can take this one, no problem. But for me, I will look for the bigger picture. I will definitely look for the bigger picture like this one. It's actually no problem if you want to take because it's actually still inside the M5 engulfing zone too. So if price break either way, it's like a near with each other, so no problem for me. I know that the zone is already breaking up, so it's good like that.
Okay,
It,
now, for
hmm.
example, now you can enter sell from this engulfing cell on M5.
Come again? I cannot hear you. Come again.
Now you can enter sell engulfing on M5, this new one.
Okay, you mean this one?
No, the down one.
The down one. This area or this one?
This one.
This one.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Your question is taking the side on this area.
Yeah, because it give you engulfing failed, engulfing
Mm-hmm.
buy failed,
Mm-hmm.
price pullback,
But it's pullback. Okay, let me
and
check.
now price also give you engulfing sell,
Mm-hmm.
the new engulfing sell.
Okay, all right, understand. So if you want enter on this area, like I've told you, sure you can take it, but like I've told you, you have to be careful. It's in the surface. You can place an entry, but do not layer like crazy. No, you cannot do that because of why? First thing first, okay. First, let me see. Is this engulfing buy or not? Okay, this is only engulfing buy, not this one, not the down one. Okay. If you put this one, it's engulfing fail. Okay, press already make reaction here. Toward here for this setup, engulfing buy, breakout and pull back, engulfing fail. Price already make a reaction and break out and pull back again. But the pullback is cannot go inside this zone because it's settled already the story from here and here. But it doesn't mean this zone cannot be used. Still can be used. So what price are doing right now is price are respecting this zone compared to this EF. So that's why price started to melt down. So now, if you entry around this area, you see if you're selling around this area, what you need to monitor is a lot of engulfing buy. So it's like you are entry, but you're gonna feel like it's a bit hesitate. You know, you're gonna feel like worry because of why? It's a lot of nearest roadblock. Here's engulfing buy, engulfing fail, engulfing buy again, and engulfing buy again. But no worries, if you want to entry, you have to bear in your mind. If you entry here, try to double check on F15, H1 and H4, where is the nearest roadblock that you can see? See, you enter here, right? So this will be M15, one engulfing buy. One engulfing buy of the roadblock, right? So you can make a target. Oh, maybe I will try to enter here up until here only. But I can get around maybe 70 pips like that. 70 pips like that, or 60 pips, 65 pips like that. Okay, if let's say I enter here, I entry, first go down until 65 pips, and I feel that okay, it's enough already. It's enough. I know. Sometimes people or students will say like, oh, if not 100 pips, I'm not going to close my trade. No, it's not like that. Nope. If price only give you 65 pips, get it secure. Close it, everything. Close everything. If later, after you enter there, later after you enter here, then you sell here, then after that price go down. So after that, after price go down, suddenly you see price started to sideways, started to making uptrend movement again, You know, price gonna reverse back again. Reverse until where? You have no idea, but you can make a target. Maybe price can reverse up until this engulfing sell again. So if you want to entry buy here, should be fine, no problem. But you have to bear in your mind, this will be a high risk setup because of why? You entry. This will be a high risk setup because of why? You entry are trying to against the big structure. The big structure that time are saying sell. You are buying. So it's really high risk. If price come back here again, come and touch your engulfing fail, engulfing sell, definitely you can sell if there's confirmations. If you sell here, sell, then what happened? Price keep on going up. Don't be scared because you still have another sell here. But if price keep on going up, you already sell here and you full margin, definitely it's not going to support your floating, your account. You're gonna margin call. Okay. So remember, if in the surface, when price pull back, try to test water first, just a little. Entry just a little bit. But if price already come like a 50%, yes, you can entry a lot of position. That's what I did. Okay, 50%. Okay, you can entry nicely. But if price only come and touch at the surface, you have to be careful. Just test water first. Maybe 1 lots or 2 lots is enough already. Understand?
Yeah. Okay, what about when price? Let's go to H1.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Can you delete all this?
Sure. Okay, H1.
Okay. First time, no, it's not an H1. I think it was an M15. Yeah, M15.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where here. You see this engulfing failed on M15.
Which
Engulfing
side?
failed.
Which side?
Yes,
This
up.
is?
Yes, this one.
Okay.
Okay, sometimes price come like weak like this and go down and again pull back. Why?
Sorry, Siraj is breaking up again. Sometimes price come with a weak and then what's next? I cannot hear you.
Price weak the area, touch the area by a week
Mm-hmm.
and go down and again pull back to the same area.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Why?
Why? Why usually price come with a week and sometimes pull back again and come again to the same area? Okay, you see
Yeah.
here. This is engulfing fail. Usually for the engulfing fail pullback, they love to give you a shadow. Engulfing fail really love to give you a shadow pullback. For example, I show you one. I try to show you. See? Engulfing fail, right? This is for buy. You see how it's pulled back? Only with a shadow. This is the mechanism of the engulfing fail. It's basically will work like this one. Especially on gold, they will love to pull back on shadow. So basically, if you want to entry sell, okay, let's say you have a structure sell. Okay, here's indicate sell, here's indicate sell. So now if you saw that there's engulfing fail setup, okay, this is engulfing sell. If you saw like this engulfing fail, whenever price started to break out your zone, you just be ready. This is on F15, your entry point. Whenever you saw like this kind of breakout, the dominant breakout, you have to be ready. Any price that pull back toward your zone, doesn't matter with body candlestick or shadow, just straight away entry. Because of why? Because F15, it's already a small time frame already. You can straight away entry. Because why I say straight away entry? Because when you want to monitor, your zone is so small. So you're not going to float a lot because why? The zone is already small. But do not do like this on H1. If you straight away entry on H1 using this zone, is going to be really, really big zone. It's dangerous. Do not do that. But on F15, yes. Okay. So you see, shadow, later, sooner or later, when the price go down, maybe we're expecting on this engulfing buy, come again with the body candlestick, have a two possibility. It's either price gonna break or continue meltdown, and after that, never come again like that. Usually that's the mechanism of the zones. Maybe price go down, make a reactions, pull back with a proper body, and it will definitely going down again like that. That was the first scenario. The second scenario will be like this. You press the breakout and pull back, come again to your zone and started to straight away break up your zone with the body candlestick. Whenever price started to break out here, you know already this zone is not valid for use anymore. Not valid to use anymore because it's becoming engulfing fail and fail again. So definitely we're going to delete this zone and we're going to focus the other zone, this engulfing cell and this engulfing cell. 1, 2, priority. This is number 3. Because why? This is the nearest engulf, latest engulf, or oldest engulf, like that. Okay, so that's the priorities. So that's about the explanation of the structure, the first structure that I've told you. So now I'm going to explain the one that you asked me, the second one, why you are failing entry here, right? Wait, let me delete. Why cell doesn't give me cell here, even though price already give engulfing cell. Price already close the body inside here, right? Inside the zone. If I go to the H1 doesn't give me anything, right? Any engulf for that moment. You go to the F15. So F15, you can see price started to give you which part of engulfing cell price started to give here. But unfortunately, it's already breakout. So I know this is not ready yet for price to go down. So I try to find again, got any engulfing cell or not? Yes, there's one engulfing cell here. Then I put the zone. Okay, I put the zone. Okay, and after that, if you entry here, engulfing cell, breakout, pull back, entry. Let's say you enter here. Okay, then price started to melt down. Okay, let's see. Price melt down from here up until here, it's only give you, wow, a lot, 100 pips from here. But what happened if you still keep on holding your position, price keep on coming back again to your entry point? Because of why? You look to the left. Later, I'm going to explain you why the setup is fail. Don't want to go down. Price just give reaction here. So from here also, price started to going up and come back again and give you another 92 pips, almost 100 pips. Again, because this is the specialty of the gold. It will definitely give you a lot, even though this is on F15 setup. Okay, price come again to your entry point a lot of time. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. Price keep on coming and touch your zone. Okay, so what happened? Even though price give you full SOP of selling, but why price keep on failing? Okay, see, if I pull this zone, the main reason is first, price unable to break through this engulfing buy and price started to high up, start from this M15. Why? Why this setup is fail? Okay, first, we double check on higher time frame. Like I always mentioned you before, if you want to find a certain zone, if you want to sell on the certain zone on H4, double check 1 time frame higher or 2 time frame higher. So now I'm on H4. If I on H4, if I want to double check my direction and storyline, I have to double check on daily or at least weekly. If I on daily, I have to double check on weekly or at least monthly. But monthly it will be suddenly we open. Okay, this is the most what we call a must time frame that we have to check. It's a must. Do not skip that one. Okay, so now we go where we are on H4. We double check on the daily. So if you open on the daily that time, you want to sell around this area, right? You want to sell around this area, correct or not? So what happened? If you did not double check on the daily, this is what happened. You're gonna fail miserably because of why? If you look on the daily, whole picture concept is here. If you look to the nearest left, maybe that time, price just like this, you know, it's not even complete yet. You see just like half picture, something like that, you know. So what happened? If you look to the nearest left, you already know. If you want to sell, you can see it here already. If you want to sell around this area, if you look to the surrounding, you look to the left, the bigger picture on the daily is actually structure buy, e.g. buy, break up, pull back at the sideways, boom. When price already pull back around this area, the full SOP of buying, that's why price shoot up. From daily story, this is the EG buy structure, and this is the engulfing cell, and this is the engulfing cell. So that time, it will be like this one. Will be the targeted zone for buying. Will be the targeted for buying. For example, buying and also the exit setup, like that. So that time, if you enter here, wait, I double screenshot. You see? Oh. This is the EG buy. This is the EG cell. This is the EG cell. So if you're already buying around this area, this will be your next TP, or will be your next TP or your next exit. Okay, your next TP or your next exit. So like this case, in this case already, like this scenario, you already sell where? You sell around this area. If you sell it around this area, you see, yes, price going to give you a bit of sell. Because of what? Because on a daily picture, price already create engulfing buy. Engulfing buy. There's a closing candle buy. So when there's a breakout, this is we call a breakout. So okay, when there's a closing candle here, there's a breakout. Definitely there's a pullback. Yep, small pullback. So you don't realize actually that you're trying to sell. You try to selling on a retracement setup. This is the continuations. Understand? The bigger structure. So you only sell at the pullback, small pullback on the daily. So that's why I said this is really, really, really priority, higher time frame. Higher time frame. Because why I say priority higher time frame? For lower time frame, definitely follow higher time frame orders. If higher time frame say buy, definitely it will go buy. It doesn't want to sell at all. You see, it doesn't care going up like that. Just break up everything. If I open on H4, if you want to sell here, you see, boom, break up like that. Same goes to this setup. Same goes to this setup. Okay, see, if for this setup, okay, I show you. If for this setup, if you say, Mel, I want to sell here. I want to sell here. So what happened? If you want to sell here, double check on high time frame. Double check on the daily. Okay, I delete the old one. Okay, hold on. Okay, double check on the daily. Man, I want to sell around this area because there's a confirmation for selling already. Yes, if there's a confirmation of sell, you go ahead sell. But before that, even though it gives you engulf to engulf sell, engulf to engulf sell again, this is engulfing sell or not? Yes, this is engulfing sell. This is also engulfing sell. Even though price give you a lot of engulfing sell, it doesn't mean price need to sell. So what you need to do, double check on high time frame. Go to the daily. So if you go to the daily, only that you can understand the bigger picture. Only that you can see that, oh, I want to sell this area. This is a good news because of why not just on H4 give me engulfing sell for me to sell. If I open on daily also really sitting inside engulfing sell zone. There's one. And not just that, maybe price gonna make reaction and giving engulfing fail sell too. You see? Two zones are saying sell on the daily. This is a really big set. This is a really big confirmation. Two zones are saying sell. So might be price gonna go sell or might be price gonna make a sell for temporary for the price to just pull back again to this engulfing buy. And after price take this engulfing buy, price will definitely continue going up like that. That's the scenario case. That's the case of the scenario like this one, I can tell you. Okay, but what if price don't want to give any sell later on? Maybe price maybe only pull back slowly, slightly around this area and stuck to this dominant and will definitely continue going up. Yeah, it will be like that also. It's have to follow the H4. This is a daily setup. You have to follow the H4 roadblock also. If H4 cannot go through, you cannot melt down. You see, whenever price want to melt down, price need to break through this engulfing buy, new engulfing buy. If price can break through this new engulfing buy, this is will be the next zone, and this is will be the next zone, step by step, one by one. That's the case. So now, if you say that, okay, Mel, if now price already make me buy structure, price already create me engulfing buy structure here, EG buy to EG, sell structure, EG sell, price already go inside my zone, and then price started to close the body like that. Okay, so after price close the body, before you go to H1 and precise, you have to think first. Okay, fine. If I sell here, which is the nearest roadblock that I have to be careful? Where? You can see here, there's one engulfing buy here. Okay, hold on. I try to, okay, like that. Oh, I have to be careful. If I sell around this area, will be my next roadblock or my next TP on H4 story. Remember, lower time frame will definitely follow higher time frame. In order for the price to follow the high time frame order On H1 also need to break through all the roadblocks. If there's a roadblock on the H1, definitely it will have. Okay, for the price to go up until here, like that. Okay, so as for now, let's see the SOP setup on H4, because H4 give sell, daily give sell. So what we need to do, if you still feel not confident, you want to double check on weekly, you can go also to check on weekly. Weekly also sitting nicely inside engulfing sell zone. But like I've told you, however, you have to go and check got confirmation or not on H4 and H1 to entry. So this is the H4, you go to the H1. If you go to the H1, price give you perfect structure that really clear. Engulfing sell, break up, pull back. You want to entry, straight away entry. If you feel that not confident enough, price give you another one. Engulfing fail, break up, pull back again, touch the engulfing and started to melt down. So now your job is simple. Take the new engulfing. Okay, if you really want to find a new entry, this is a new engulfing. Okay, this is a new engulfing. This is on H1. You have to wait for the price to at least pull back again to this engulfing sell zone for you to enter. But we're not going to enter on H1. We need to precise more to M15. So if I go to the M15, I will ready where? Inside the H1 zone that I've already marking. I just wait here. I just definitely gonna wait. If price pull back there, I'm gonna enter. Okay, so I make a target. Maybe price gonna pull back around this engulfing fail. There's one. Or maybe this engulfing sell. There's two. Or maybe this engulfing one. Engulfing sell this. So this is the first targeted zone for the engulfing fail. How about if price don't want to pull back this three zone, 1, 2, 3, it's definitely the worst case scenario, price can able to pull back this one. So if I were you, I'm definitely going to put the zone like this. If you say that, Mel, there's a lot of zone. Yes, because of why? It's sitting near with each other of the zones, you know, because of why? On top here also got engulfing fail. This one also got engulfing sell. So the possible is really strong. It's really here, no? So you have to be careful. So now our job is we need to do what?
Identify the right zone.
Yes, wait for the right zone. We have to wait. A lot of traders are gonna lose a lot of money because of why? They don't want to wait. Remember, I repeat again. A lot of traders who lost a lot of money because of why? They don't want to wait. You have to wait for at least price to properly go back inside your zone. If you want to entry here, okay, test water only. Not so much entry. Just a little bit. Because why? Like yesterday, you've been there already. You already sell, then suddenly price go up again. Go up, go up. Gold will definitely make you really painful to watch the floating one. Floating will be really a lot if you already enter a lot of position. Because of why? There's a lot of engulfing zone. Price gonna come. We have no idea which engulf price gonna come. So that's why our job is to see which zone price gonna come and make a reactions. That's our job. We put a traps. Which zone price gonna come? Be patient. Be patient. Sabar, inshallah. You have to wait. Okay?
After
Understand?
the zone, what should I do?
Sorry? After put the zone,
Yeah, after price comes to the zone, what should I do?
I will straight away entry. Because why I straight away entry, it's already M15. It's small time frame already. If let's say price go inside your zone, okay, maybe price go up until here, you still want to wait for the price to create another engulfing sell for you. If you want to price to create another EG sell for you, it's sometimes price not going to do that. Price not going to do that. Price just sometimes you see like this, price only one touch, go down. One touch, go down like that. So if I were you, if price already come inside my zone, I straight away entry sell. What I did, if I straight away entry sell here, I have to monitor this one. Monitor this one. If later on price break up my zone, okay, if I still have my margin is still big, I don't want to cut loss yet because of why? I can make this one as a new target. It's okay. I don't want to cut loss because it's a bit near with each other. So no problem. But what if there is no engulfing sell here? Okay. There's no engulfing sell here. There is no engulfing sell here. You already sell here. You sell. But what happened? You can see the price started to break up your zone. If price break up your zone, but there is no engulfing sell here, you have to cut loss. Cut loss because of why? You see already, oh, my next zone will be this one. It's a bit far away for the price to go up and my margin cannot afford. So I have to cut loss. Then whenever price already reach around this area, I will re-entry like that. It's okay to cut loss, no problem. Do not fear to cut loss because of why? We always make mistake because we don't know which zone price gonna come. If I know which exact zone price gonna come, I'm gonna be multi-millionaire, billionaire like that. So that's why we put a trap. We put a trap. We want to find out which zone price gonna come like that in a matter of waiting game. Okay. So do not put stop loss unless you cannot monitor your setup. I repeat again, do not put stop loss unless you cannot monitor your setup. Only that you put a stop loss. Most of the time, we're gonna prefer for cut loss. Understand? Is that clear for you?
Yes.
Okay. So better for cut loss than stop loss because of why? They will always love to put a stop loss or hunt for your stop loss. Seriously, I tell you. They are definitely will do it because of why? The goals really love to play with the shadow. You see, all shadow one, everything's a shadow. The spiky shadow will really hurt, you know, really hurt. Okay, there's one thing I want to tell you. Sometimes, okay, got people also. You see here, this is engulfing cell, right? Got people also what they did when candle already closing candle here, it's indicate engulfing cell, right? So whenever price pull back only with a shadow, there will definitely entry. Because of why? Even though there's no sideways smiley face like this one, pull back at this one, they keep on entry because of why? Price give you one engulfing cell, but this will be a really high risk because of why? There's only one engulfing cell only, one ice engulf only. There's no breakout, there's no pullback, there's not proper like that. Because if you entry like that, sooner or later price gonna come again. You see? Sooner or later price gonna come again. In a matter of time. Just wait and see. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alhamdulillah. Great. So, right, continue your next question. Do you have any? It's okay, think first. If you have question, just think me. Do you check any other pairs? Or only
Yeah.
gold for now?
No. Yeah, but I went and analyzed your USD.
Euro USD. Where's the euro? Oh, here. Okay.
Right now, I think it's good for selling because I start from weekly.
Wait, let me.
Okay, and weekly it's engulfing sell.
Here you mean?
No, this shadow. This week is
This week, price playing around this engulfing cell, you mean?
you see this shadow, the candle next to this candle.
This one?
This is a bullish candle.
The bullish candle, what do you mean by that?
Yeah, this candle is a bullish, not a bearish candle.
Let me see. Oh, there's the bullish one, weekly, daily. Yeah, can also. There's also engulfing cell here. Okay,
Yeah.
then continue.
Then I went to daily to precise the zone.
You want to the daily to process the zone. Okay.
And I did not see any good zone. Then I went to H4.
You doesn't see any good zone for selling, right? Then you go to H4. Okay. Right.
So in H4, I find that upper zone, which the price is reacting right now. Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna put this one, this straight line. Okay, put this one. Okay, right.
So I wait for price to come there inside. Then I went to H1.
H1, wait, we put one straight line first because it's already closing entirely. We go to the H1.
It has the engulfing cell.
Oops, sorry. Okay.
So I was waiting for price to pull back to the zone. Then after that, because already now it pulled back with the engulfing buy, if you see.
From there, yeah, from down there.
Yeah. So yeah, right now here in this kind of situation, you see this price this week. Now I think I was thinking to sell from here. What do you think?
If you want to sell right here, should be fine, no problem. You can sell. Go ahead, no problem. Because why? Okay, okay, for one thing that I want you to mention. Okay, from a weekly, you can see that price started give you nothing. There's no EG. There's no easy sell on weekly. On daily also, there's nothing. There's no easy sell. All I can see is only a bullish momentum. Okay, there was one hint for you. One hint for you. But then if you go to the H4, got engulfing, sell. Okay. If H4 got engulfing sell, okay, what you need to do, the confirmation selling complete already. Like this now, complete already for you to sell. Yes, you can continue sell. But you have to be careful. You just sell here. Boom. Want to sell here? Go ahead. But after you sell here, price started to go up again. Sell again. Sell. No problem. Just sell. But what happened? If you already sell here, but later, what happened? When you sell, but suddenly price continue going up and break out everything. Wait for closing candle, okay? This is M15, right? So let's say you already entry here, then suddenly on 1 p.m. like that, price already break out your zone. Break out like this one, you know already you need to cut loss because of why? This 2 zone is not valid for selling anymore. Okay, but there's still a catch. Okay, but if price already break out this M15 zone, but if you open on H1 or H4, okay, H4, wait, let me delete the old one. Okay, H4 zone, let me double check the zone that I've put. Where did you put? Here's right. Which one the zone that you put here? This one.
Yes, this is the one.
This one, okay. Okay, this one will be the one. Okay. If you already see here, if on H4, price not even break out your zone yet. Okay, even though price make a bullish break out your H1 zone, but it's still valid inside this H4 zone. It's not breakout yet. So if later on, if got any new engulfing cell created, you can take this one. You can take that one as your new zone for selling. And wait the same thing, wait for the price to break out and pull back again to your zone, precise and enter. Like that.
Okay,
But
continue. Sorry,
oh,
continue.
sorry. Okay, but if let's say on H4 itself, later on, after this, price will closing candle like this one. Okay, if price closing candle like this one, you know already that the zone is not valid for sell anymore. Because why? It's already breakout like that. Okay, with body. Remember that, with body candlestick. If only via a shadow like this one, this is not called as a breakout. No, with body. Okay, understand? All right, you can continue your question.
Go to M15.
Mm-hmm.
Since we did our analysis.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can we go to H1 first?
H1. All right.
So, when price pull back, can you delete the down box? This down box?
This one? Wait.
No. Yes.
Okay.
So price move. Now price is pulling back by. It's not the good sideways, but okay. Let's say it's sideways.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mid price touch the zone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, let's jump to M15 and just focus on the CMP, the current CMP.
Okay.
Okay. So if I want to sell here, should I? Oh, excuse me a minute. Yeah. Should I wait for engulfing on M15? Let's say this M15 give me another engulfing. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I enter on the pullback of this engulfing, should I put my stop loss? If I put my stop loss on this engulfing sell high, the left one.
This one.
Down.
This one.
If I put my SL here, after it give me another EG sell here.
If it give you another EG sell here like this one, like that, roughly
Yeah,
like that. You want to enter here, you put, if I were you, okay, sure. If I were you, what I did, if I enter here, I'm not going to put my stop loss there. I'm not going to put stop loss here because I know later on, price going to come like this one and take your stop loss and go really, really far away. Okay, so that's why. Okay, let's say you enter here. Okay, later on price go up. Maybe price just going to come back and touch this another EG here. You still remember this is valid zone for selling.
Yeah.
If price come here, take your stop loss and everything, and price will definitely melt down really far away. It's really hurt to see this. So that's why what I try to observe is actually we need to use a cut loss compared to stop loss. If you want to put a stop loss, it may be a bit big, but this is a Euro USD, so should be fine. I'm gonna definitely put my stop loss a bit 30 pips for my entry point like that, or below here, up here is better compared to this one because this one is really small stop loss. Definitely price gonna come again, just to touch this EG cell because this is still a valid zone. Even though you put the stop loss here, will be a bit dangerous. I told you, price will definitely give you big shadow. That was a really evil shadow. Trust me. See? All the shadow. Price is definitely going to come. So better cut loss. Break your zone. But for me, it's okay. Price break up my this zone. It's okay. It's okay. I don't mind. I'm going to hold my position. I just wait for the price to come again inside this zone. I definitely entry again. Entry. Like that.
Can we go to M5?
Sorry?
Can we go to M5?
Can you go to low time frame?
M5.
M5, okay. All right. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's say in M5, I wait for this to become an engulfing field.
Mm-hmm.
This zone. Okay.
This one you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's say I want to save this into like double confirmation again inside the zone.
Mm-hmm.
I wait for this price to break this engulfing cell
Mm-hmm.
on M5 and pull back, and I enter.
Sure, you can enter also.
I can enter, right?
Yep, you can enter, no problem. Because we'll do it too for engulfing period. Yeah, you can enter, no problem.
Yeah,
because
because
it's the same thing.
Sometimes I wait for price to do this kind of things. When it pull back, it hit my stop loss. Hit my stop loss, or it break my zone. It went up again. And I follow the whole SOP, and even I wait for a double confirmation.
They still break out your zone and take your stop loss like that.
Yeah.
It's okay. You can wait for the breakout and put back entry sell here, no problem. But like I've told you, it's like you entry on surface, so the possibility for the price to come back again here is high. So just take care of your margin. Okay, take care of your margin. Yeah, no problem. It's actually, do not be scared to enter. That's the word. Do not be scared to enter, and do not be scared to cut loss your position. It's okay to be wrong. We learn from mistake. Okay, so if your setup is maybe your setup is failed here, it's okay. Find another opportunity. Maybe price gonna come back around this area again, this engulfing cell, or maybe price don't want to come until here. Price gonna touch a bit before price continue make a massive fall down like this one. Maybe this engulfing cell. This is the highest zone, the last zone for the selling one, for the selling part, like that. Okay, so it's always monitor for you the engulfing zone that's sitting inside our zone, inside our zone again. Okay, so that's the job of us to see what is going on if price come back to our zone, our targeted zone, possible engulfing zone. What price gonna do? What price gonna did? Okay, that's our job. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Break up, pull back, enter. No problem. If it's continue going down, okay, this is will be roadblock. Okay, or this is can we go through? This is will be the next one. If also this one can go through, this is will be what? This is will be next one, step by step, like that. And so goes to this one, like that. So you see the roadblock, like that. So what if later, like what if later, after you entry here, price can go up until here. Okay, you already for profit because you entry here, right? You already profit around this area. TP, take profit. If you feel that the price, look like price gonna reverse, price started to sideways, going uptrend, down, uptrend, engulfing buy, EF, take profit, get out, exit. It's okay. If let's say price come back again throughout this area and touch again this zone, or maybe touch again this sell zone, you want to entry, sell again, no problem, sell. Why? The zone still valid. Price maybe come back around this area again, want to sell, no problem. It's still valid. Just your job is monitor your zone. If it's not break, just hold your position. But if break up, you have to cut loss. As simple as that. Make it simple. Do not make things complicated. Because why? At the end of the day, it keep on repeat the same thing. And remember, price love to make reactions to the single engulfing. Usually like that. Single engulfing. Compared to the zone that already been touched like this one. You see? Compared to that. So however is that, you just have to wait for the confirmation. That's the point. Understand? Step by step. Make it targeted. Make it we have to think forward before anything. If I enter sell here, which zone should I be careful with? I have to be careful with this roadblock first zone. And after that, if price can go through this one, which next zone should I be scared? This is the second zone. I have to be careful. Okay, fine. But what if my zone can go through everything? This will be the next one. Like that. Before we enter, we already think forward. By that, if later on, if any case scenario happen, you already been prepared. So you're not going to be you're not going to be really scared, or you're not going to be really nervous. Because why? You know already your expected zone, your targeted zone, your possible zone. Like that. Okay, clear? Tamam?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I see you post a screenshot. You buy gold on daily 2 days, right? From that. Can you explain for me that entry
Sure.
in the beginning?
Which one? The one that I posted that I'm buying the gold, you mean? Which one?
Yeah. From daily time frame.
Daily time frame. Let me see. This one, you mean? This setup, you mean?
Just this move. I see
This
you buy it
Okay.
from.
Sure, I will break down for you. Okay. First thing you see, why I'm so confident that the price are going up. Okay. First thing first, you can see already here. This is on weekly. I see weekly price making a uptrend. Everything's uptrend. Uptrend. Bullish. Everything's a bullish. Even here also giving me engulfing phase setup for buying. Everything's are bullish. But why I'm so confident to buy around this area, even though there's engulfing sell here, I keep in my mind, if I buy here, before I buy, I try to check for high time frame first. I'm a bit scared because of why. Maybe my buy can be stopped up around this area, this engulfing sell. However, I double check on daily first. If on daily, I see the structure is there already. Engulfing buy, break up, pull back, price started to close body inside the zone. You can put one straight line. So after that, I go to the H4. Same concept, same thing. Okay, H4. If you want to stay on H4, wait on H4. I'm not going to do that because if I wait for H4, nothing yet happened. So I straight away go to the H1 or M15. Okay, I can precise more. Okay, so if on H1, when I will start to marking my zone, I start to marking if there's one engulfing by created, I will marking the zone. In this case of situations, I have one engulfing by that time. Okay, one engulfing by. But if I put at this one, it's already breakout. So I know I cannot entry here. Why? Price is not ready yet. This is on H1 story. I will explain more about M15 later. Okay, so what? I need to wait what? I need to wait for at least price to create another EG buy for me. Okay, if price already create one EG buy here, here's the closing candle of buying, and here's the pullback you can entry. But definitely, if you wait only on H1, you're gonna miss your entry. Before that, before I go to the F15, okay, price gonna react like this. I will marking all roadblocks throughout my near zone. Why? If price can break up my roadblock, it's gonna be engulfing fail by, which is mean that was the best one, the best setup of engulfing. If price can able to break up your roadblock. So what price did? You see here. Perfect. Nice or not? Only on H1 story. If you want to go more detail on F15, no problem. You go F15. You go to F15, F15 will give you more clear picture. You see what happened? F15 itself, here, around this area, only H1 EG buy, right? If on F15, price already started to give you a hint. Price already telling you everything. I'm going up. Because of why? Create engulfing buy to engulfing buy. EG buy to EG buy. Structure is there. Going up. So that time, it will be, will be my nearest EG cell that I can see throughout my buy here. This is EG cell. This is the first EG cell. I have to be careful out. I have to be careful this one EG cell. Okay. If you put this one, I have to wait that time. Wait. EG cell, by going down, going up, boom, break up. Here also EG cell, so I have to be scared with two EG cell. No problem. You can put 2 to 3 zone. Is up to you. The zone is free for you to use. No need to be scared to put a lot of zone. Just one thing I want to make sure, do not get confused. That's it. So you can put any color that you prefer, that you like, for you not to be confused. So this is AG cell. You press breakout, started to break up my zone, and maybe press pullback again this area, I'll definitely buy. Because of why? Why I so confident to buy around this area? Because if you see here, there's another EG, buy here. Boom, buy. Buy here already. Let's say if you enter on 15, you can buy here. Okay, you can already buy here. So you can already enter buy here. Okay, price started to going up. Like I've told you, be careful with your nearest roadblock. So your nearest roadblock that time, this is the roadblock, e.g. sell. Price continue, break out. Your profit already right. Price break out. Wait for the pullback. Boom, come again. You just want to watch and see the price going up without re-entry? Definitely I'm gonna entry. definitely I'm gonna entry. If let's say you miss entry here, maybe that time you working or you do something else, prayers or something like that, you miss your setup like that, it's okay. It's okay to let the price go. It doesn't mean that all entries you need to enter. It's okay. You already enter here, you already have an entry here. But before, like I always told you, before price will continue going up, price will definitely give you another opportunity or another hint for you to entry. Okay. You see, here's the zone engulfing field on H1. Here's zone engulfing field on H1. Correct or not? See? I'm going to change a bit the color. Here's the engulfing field zone on H1. So you can see how perfect H1 give you re-entry. So this is H1 and I will go to M15. Perfect. On H1, inside the H1 zone, EF, another hint. Price started to give you another EG buy to EG buy. Don't you feel confident? Price give you the same thing, another buying zone. Not just that, price will continue slowly going up. Same thing. Even though that time price give you EG sell, you don't care already because you know this EG sell only a pullback for this EG buy. That's the concept. I don't care about the sell already because why? I want to focus buy. I don't want to mix everything up. Some people, they will say that, oh man, I want to sell for a bit, for a while, temporary, just for the price to pull back. You don't risk everything up because you know the momentum of that time. So if you already focus on buy, just go buy. You see, break up, pull back, come again to your zone. You want to entry buy. Here's a lot of opportunity. 15 minutes, 15 minutes. How many hours price are hanging around this area? You can find an end position. You can entry. Here's again another engulfing fail. Break up, pull back, entry again. Before price continue going up, you can see, you count to me how many times price start to give you a re-entry. So that's why people keep on getting the re-entry positions. That's a lot, trust me. See, there is a lot. Maybe that time you feel that, man, I scared to enter because the price already moved a bit far from my current price, you know? Price already moved from here, you see? From here up until here, price already moved 370 pips. So I so scared to enter. Okay, let's say price already come up until here, right? Okay, I'm so scared to find a buy setup because price already moved really far away from my entry. Okay, you see? This is on H4. You go on a daily. Okay, what happened? You entry that time that you feel scared to enter, you enter around this area, you know already, oh, this is only a daily. Price only move and just want to on the way to the sell zone. If you feel scared that on a daily setup, you feel that, oh man, I have to be careful because price only go outside of my zone and started to go inside. Is this engulfing fair or not? Can see or not? Is this EG buy or not? No, this is not EG buy. So this is only, sorry, not EG sell. EG buy, if break, will be in engulfing field sell. And this is engulfing cell. Okay, so the time that you enter here in the middle of nowhere, price come from engulfing buy, want to reach to engulfing cell. So now your zone is around this area. Now you can enter again because you know the bigger picture is daily EG is still far away. You see, am I correct or not? The EG cell from this EG bar is still far away, so you can find a re-entry. Doesn't matter how many times already. You see how many times already. Start from here so that the zone that you are selling, is actually the price is not respecting because of why? I told you, price always have to respect in the 50%, in the middle, not the surface. The surface is price not properly go inside the zone. You see, if price properly go inside the zone, to the selling zone, proper 50% to 50%, after that, price slowly to go down like that. That's the concept. Please note down, bear in your mind what I'm saying. 50% after price go inside your zone, it definitely going down. But sometimes there's always have also price going respect to the surface only. Maybe there's engulfing field there like that. So however price give you, we just take whatever it give. Do not force the price. Take whatever you want. No. You have to follow whatever price give you, not you give price like that. Okay, so see, if you want to entry here, entry no problem. Going up. How many opportunity if you open on H1? How many opportunity or how many EF price gonna start to create here and give you? You see, if you open H1, here's also another engulfing fail buy, but there's no pullback because of why? It's not respecting this engulfing fail. Why? Look to the nearest left. Ta-da! This is the one, the price respecting. Engulfing sell, Breakout. But
For me, this engulfing buy down.
this one you mean?
What? No, down one.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Why did price pull back here only by a week? In this situation, what you do?
If price pull back
No,
only a week like this one.
no, the down one. It's down engulfing.
The down engulfing, this one? Or more down?
This one. With the price pulled to it by a week.
This one? Hello? Hello? Can you
Yes,
hear me?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yes. Which zone you mean?
This one.
This one. Okay. If price pull back with the shadow, what I'm
Yeah,
gonna do? Like that.
yeah.
Okay. So in here, if
Yeah, and sorry, I have a question. When the zone is formed and price is pulling back and still market did not close, do you find the entry down there or you wait for the candle to close?
Okay, good question. You have choice. Okay. You want to enter on H1 or F15? That
Right.
question.
If this zone is H1, I want
It is
to
H1.
I want to go down to M15 and M5.
Okay, you want to go down to F15 and
M5.
M5. Okay. If you want to enter on F15 or M5, you have to make sure at least price go back inside your zone. Then you jump away. You straight away go to the M15 and M5. Find M15 first, only that go to the M5. But usually, if some people, they don't want to let things be miserable, they don't want to think a lot. So what they did, if you on H1 or create you engulfing buy, here's the closing candle buy, and here's the pullback. Whenever price touch my zone, straight away enter. Because of why? Same concept. If you go to the M15 and M5 also, you're going to precise inside here, same thing. Inside here and inside here, you're going to precise the same thing. The way is, the way you do to M15, M5, it's normal actually. Because of why? Some people will feel scared to entry on H1. It's too big. So that's why we go to the M15, we go to the M5. So let's see, let's try to find an answer. What is going on inside the M15 and M5 if price only pull back here? Let's see. This one I delete. Delete here first. Sometimes too many zone make you confused. Okay, so wait a minute. So I pull it out. Okay, yes, like that. Okay, EG buy. This EG buy. Okay, let's see on M15. We go to the M15. Okay, this one, right? Yep. You see? Did I say correct or not? This is the entry that you will enter on M15 whenever price come and pull back. Price create what? EG, sell, breakout, pullback. You're gonna entry here on F15. Same goes to the H1 setup. You're gonna definitely entry around this area. Because of why? There's EG fail. Not just EG fail. After that, let me borrow this one. Not just that, price create you another EG fail again. Buy. Same double confirmation. That's make me more confident. If I were you, I already see like 2 confirmation like this one. I'm not going to go until M5. Because of why? I have solid confirmation already. I have EG fail here, and I have EG fail here for buy. And not just that, I have EG buy here again. 3 confirmation. You don't feel confident? A lot already actually. That's a lot. But if still you insist want to go until M5, no problem, you can go. Just one thing I'm gonna let you know. Please don't get confused. If you go M5, see how many candles that you see, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Same thing. You go to the M5. This is your entry point around this area, right? Same thing. This is engulfing fail. I'm gonna change color for you to see because too much soon. Hold on. There. Engulfing fail. Engulfing buy. Same thing or not? Inside the zone got same thing. Inside the zone got the same thing. Inside the F15 got M5. Inside the H1 got F15. Engulf to engulf. Oh yeah. Boom. Flew. Just like that. Simple, right? Just don't make it complicated. Don't worry. You can just always enter the zone. And then after that, just monitor the zone. If you enter here, you already entry around this area, right? You entry this engulfing, this EG. Yeah, you entry a lot. And just monitor throughout this area. Don't worry. But if later on, price breakout everything, price breakout entry point, the last zone will be here. The last zone for buying will be here. If this zone also price breakout, you know that your setup is not valid anymore. If price started to break out everything. Sooner or later, it will break everything on H1 and on H4 like that. So we're not going to wait until H4 break up if you already entry here. It's too big. You're going to lose everything first. Cut loss. Don't worry to cut loss. It's okay. I know a lot of traders love to let their margin call first rather than cut loss. Right? So we're not going to do that. You have to be smart. You have to be smart. Just let it be. Let it be. This is will be a targeted zone. If price break out everything. Last zone for entry. Boom. Flew like that. How many pips already? From here, your entry point here, right? From here, only here, price give you 360 pips already. From here till here, 550 pips. Here, 860 pips. Wow. Not enough. Even you enter 0.01 already, gonna get you feel full already. From that only. So same thing also from here, targeted zone. This is a selling zone. If you target only here, this EG buy for exit, how many pips already? 386 pips. But throughout from this engulfing sell, go down here. You have to be careful. Throughout this dominant area will be a lot of roadblocks on H1 or M15. This is a dominant zone. Have to be careful of the roadblocks. Here is also. So whenever price want to go down, make sure it's can break everything. It's only that you're gonna feel really relaxed. Like that. Just monitor zone. That's why I ask you to look 2 to 3 pairs. If the zone is still not complete yet, I can check another pair, maybe Euro USD or GBP USD. Any zone, any pairs. Like this kind of situation, price already come back again, pull back again to this zone. I just wait. Patiently wait. Patiently wait. Sabar, sabar.
But price pulled back by a week.
What? What? The price what?
Pulled back by a week.
With pull back by week, you want to entry. Just entry, no problems. But this is H1. So a bit scary to entry on H1. Precise again. If price come back here, pull back with only week on H1. Go wait on F15. Why price pull back only week? It's possible also because why? Here's engulfing fail. Like that. See how it's pull back? How it's pull back? So later on, if price discount by week, you know already, oh, because of this engulfing fail, I know it. If later on price continue going down with body properly, you know, or price not respecting this engulfing fail, why? There's engulfing cell here, and also got engulfing cell. So two zones sitting near with each other. Make this one as another zone for M15 like that. This will be the next zone. This will be the next zone like that. That's it. We just take whatever price give you. Do not just create new pairs for you or create new structure for you. No. We just follow whatever price give. For now, I will waiting game. If for now, let's say this situation, Mel, I want to straight entry sell here. You want to enter sell here? Can, but it will be really, really high risk. You can enter 1 lot or 2 lot like that, but you have to be careful. Maybe price gonna come back again to here, or maybe here. You don't know. Zone is only a zone. Which zone price gonna respect? We have no idea. We just need to put a trap. That's it. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, great. So which pair again that you monitor right now? Gold, Euro USD,
USD JPY.
JPY. Euro, sorry, Euro USD JPY?
USD
Fine.
JPY.
Or USD JPY. Okay, same thing. Same thing apply. Go to the weekly. Okay, so now can you tell me what you doing on USD JPY? First thing.
I started from weekly.
First time you go to the weekly. Okay.
Yeah, because mostly I don't think. Okay, I see price here gave engulfing field, but it's already on engulfing field buy.
You mean this?
No doubt.
Yeah.
Yes, this is engulfing field buy. Price now is an engulfing field sell down here.
Yep.
So I know this market has potential to go up. So I precise my zone to daily.
Okay.
So when I come to daily, I find price creating engulfing buy in the current market price.
This one you mean?
No, there. Yeah, I don't need this one because already market creating engulfing buy there.
This one?
The new one on the currency. There is
this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sure. You can marking here also, no problem. But if I were you, I would just marking there and there also, middle one, to the left,
Okay.
to the left. Okay,
Okay.
then.
So I delete the rest of the zones.
Okay, 60 EG. Okay.
So I said, okay, my first target must be this engulfing cell,
Mm-hmm.
with already price touched by a wick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And when price get down to break this engulfing buy zone, it has a rejection. I said, okay, price has potential to go up. So I jumped to H4.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So in H4, I delete everything. Because this break was a week on daily. So now I am marking this engulfing cell fill and this EG boy.
This one?
No down. This,
Engulfing? This one.
this
Okay.
an
Then for the
engulfing cell.
rooftop?
And the rooftop is yes, this engulfing cell and engulfing bifil.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. That's it. Waiting game. You can see
So
already how it flow.
okay,
Sorry.
but for
Huh.
according to higher time frame direction, it's buy.
Well, according for the high time frame, the direction is buy.
Uh,
This one you mean, right? Because of engulfing field, correct? Because of this engulfing field buy, and your next target for buying will be here. It's so far away, still so far away, right? So, but if you go to the daily, so nothing price playing in the middle, but already sit inside the buy zone and started to go up outside of the buy zone. And if you go to the H4, you can see that price already started to start on engulfing field sell. But higher time frame, say what? Say buy. Okay, now let me break it up for you. Okay, now weekly, daily saying bullish or buy. Bullish or buy. But however, on H4, price already sitting on engulfing fail sell. So Mel, what should I do?
follow
No
H.
worry. Okay, what should I do? Okay, here. Okay, see. So what should you do? All right, now, if like in this kind of situations, okay, weekly saying bullish, daily saying bullish, but whenever you go to the EF sell, you can see EF started to sit inside the sell zone. So now you have a answer already for everything. You know that if you sell here, it's only a retracement setup. Only a retracement setup for the price to pull back, go down here. Maybe go up until here. And after price get the full engulfing fail by, price will definitely continue going up again. Maybe where? Up until here. Like that. That's the scenario case. That's the case of scenario. So it's okay. You still can find a sell entry here, temporary, for the price to pull back again and get back again this engulfing fail. Then you can continue by here. Like that. So it doesn't mean that, weekly give bullish, daily give me bullish, H4 give me engulfing fail sell. No, I still want to sell. I still want to buy. Because why? High time fail say buy. No, it's not like that. Follow what price give you that time. That's we call as CMP. This is we call as CMP. Follow whatever price give you at this time. So
Can
now,
you repeat the last
yeah,
thing?
yes, continue. Yep.
No, just can you repeat what did you say last thing?
Last thing, okay, follow in whatever price give you. This is we call as current market price. In what CMP give you that time, that you have to take. It doesn't mean that, okay, market give me weekly give me bullish, daily give me bullish, but H4 give me EF sell. I don't want to trade. I don't want to sell. I want to buy. I still want to buy because high time frame say buy. No, it's wrong. You have to take whatever price give you. If price give you perfect SOP for sell, sell. Just sell. Why? Until when? Just sell until price go to the next roadblock. This one, engulfing fail. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna delete this, the big zone. Okay, so at least I have a trade zone, so it make me more better. Okay, so now Mel, can I go to the H1 to process for me to entry sell? Sure. Put one straight line. Even though here price is not properly closed inside the body, it's okay. Price already start to go inside your zone. And remember, this is engulfing fail. Price love to give shadow pullback. Okay, you go to the H1. Now, you go to H1, you saw nothing. Only price started to pull back and go inside your zone like that. Not clear, right? Go to where? F15. Jump to F15. Same thing apply. If you really want to sell, you can try to find engulf to engulf sell or EG to EG sell. Here, press Q EG sell. So now, if you still want to sell, this is EG sell, this is a breakout, and this is a pullback. This will be your first entry. But unfortunately, price already started to move out from my sell zone until here. So if I were you, I have to wait patiently for the price to pull back again inside my zone for me to sell. Because of why? I don't want to sell here. Why? Look to the left. What zone is this?
Engulfing buy.
Engulfing buy zone. So I knew it. I knew that, oh, I cannot straight away entry buy here. Sell here.
It has engulfing failed. What about that?
Sorry? Come again?
Price has engulfing failed.
Price have engulfing fail. Where? Where is it? This one you mean?
Yes.
This area?
Yes.
Yes. If you feel that, okay, price create engulfing fail, sell here. Mel, price create engulfing fail, sell here. Price create engulfing sell here again. Another sell. So 2 confirmation that are saying sell. Do you feel not confident enough to entry here? If you want to entry here, like I told you, this is only a surface. You can entry, but test water just a little bit first. It's okay. Sometimes people will say, man, oh, so it's a loss. I entry a bit only. I should entry a lot. No. Don't be greedy. Why? I told you many times already, don't be greedy. Just test 1 entry, 2 entry first. Because of why? Sometimes if you entry here, price go inside my buy zone and boom, shut up like that. Just to touch this engulfing. Then only that continue. Then after that, if you layer here, if you put a lot of margin, what happen? You're going to margin call first before price continue meltdown like that. So be patient. Test water first. Even though here got EG fail, EF cell, sorry, and here's got engulfing cell. Yep, you can, if you entry here, be careful. Test water first because of why? You entry on buying zone. You don't forget that. You enter on buying zone. So if you want to feel more better, more relief, if you want to entry a lot, at least make sure price going down and break out everything from this AG buy. Price pull back again. Maybe pull back here. Maybe pull back again this EF sell. Or maybe price want to pull back until here. This EG buy, EG sell. Sorry. Maybe price going to pull back here again. I don't know. Zone is only a zone. This will be the first possible zone. This will be the second possible zone. So if you want to entry, go ahead, entry, but be careful. Be careful. Like that. Then continue going down. So where is your next roadblock? Which is the next roadblock? You have to be careful. There's one here, EG fail, and there's another one. Yep, that's it. So be careful. Be careful, oops. That's it. So if Mel, I sell there, sell here, number 1, I sell the number 2, and suddenly price already move me, can I make this one as a target profit or TP? Can, no problem. Because of why? Okay, Mel, then if like that, I can get only a few pips only. If I enter here, I target maybe around this area only until this EG buy, I can only get 30 pips. 50, sorry, not 30 pips. Hold on. 70 pips. 97. Why my arrow like this one? Sorry. 100 pips already. This one, to this one, already 70 pips. To this EF. To this EG buy, it will be around 95 pips like that. 95, 100 pips, roughly like that. 90, 99 pips like that. Enough already. Because of why, if I want to exit there, I know that, see, engulfing fails down there. So I have to be careful. Be smart. I know already I cannot hold for so long because it's only a retracement setup. High time frame saying buy, not sell. So why I want to hold for so long? Because I know the origin of the price already. When price come back around this area again, maybe price will continue going up, up, like that. That's the concept. Higher time frame, weekly. That's what we did. If you look on weekly will definitely won't lie to you. It will never cheat on you on weekly. It will give you clear picture. It doesn't matter in any pair that you look. If you look on weekly, you can see more clear picture. Like that. You see? This is on AUD USD. EG buy. Price is inside EG buy. Sorry. Okay. Price inside of EG buy. This is the dominant area. This is the rooftop. And if you put one straight line like this one, this is the rooftop. And this is the basement. This is the floor. Okay, this is the roof. This is the floor. And not just that. Here's also the roof. Okay, so now the concept is simple. Or maybe price gonna go continue going up. Come back again to this EG cell or this EG cell or this EF cell. We have no idea. But I still know the concept, or maybe price going up. So to confirm that the price are really going up, check on lower time frame, daily. Go on daily. Oh Mel, I go to the daily and also price create engulf to engulf buy. Engulf to engulf buy. You see, like this one. This is, do not get confused, okay? This is complete EG buy. Even though the price breakout like this one, it's okay. It's respecting this EG buy. And then it's still EG buy. 1, 2, 3, engulf this one. Breakout, pull back, and 3. Confirmation for buying, buy. But why price unable to go up like that, man? Simple. Always look to the nearest left. What is this? Price need to pull back again to this buying zone just to complete the engulfing phase structure. Maybe after the price will continue going up. But how about if later on, Mel? Okay, I give you scenario. Okay, because in everything you should have a scenario. E.g., buy, EF, sell. Here's also E.g., buy zone. And also the big new zone is only a EG buy on the weekly. So if price going up, but suddenly price going down back again here, don't worry. This zone is still valid for buying. Just buy. Just buy. Buy. Well, definitely make sure price can continue going up. So this will be what? After price settle the engulfing phase up, we have to make sure price, however, break out this zone. If price break out this zone, perfect. Perfect, you know that the zone is not valid anymore for selling. The next targeted zone will be where? This is the EG cell, new zone. This is engulfing phase up, new zone. That's the case of scenario. But what if later price do like this? Okay, later price do like this. Price going up, continue. Price give you sell. But whenever price pull back again to this buy zone, you look like, price don't want to slow down. Price give you one huge momentum sell like this one and break out your buy zone. Same, easy. Price break out my engulfing fail zone and engulfing buy zone, it will be what? It will be engulfing fail zone. Wait for the price to pull back here, this CMP and 3. Boom, continue going down. So if price you already entry here, you already entry around this area, you have to be careful with your next roadblock. It will be here. Same concept. So your next roadblock, however, you have to make sure the same thing to happen to breakout my zone. Wait for the pullback. This will be your second and entry. Nicely going down like that. Perfect. Clear roadblock. This is because clear roadblock. Because of why? For now, there's nothing. It's already been break up for the roadblock as for now. If you look to the nearest left, if you want to find something, got any roadblock or not, unfortunately, there's nothing for now. You want to, this is daily. So clear picture for the daily for that moment. If price really want to go down, if price gonna melt down. Because why? You see this EG buy? You see this EG buy? Right? The next roadblock will be a bit far away because this is on weekly. So you can still enter a lot on H4 on a daily. There's a lot more you can enter. Because of why? The EG buy is a bit down there here. So it's a bit, you can have a lot of bit more for the price to respect just this EG buy like that. So that's it. That's about it. That's for the daily. That's for the daily setup. If you feel that, man, I don't want to enter on daily, it's too big. I want to precise on H4. Yeah, fine H4 setup, no problem. But don't forget the origin of the price. So if you want to entry on H4 setup, change the color. Okay, so you're not confused with the zoning and everything. Okay, maybe this one. Okay. So this will be a H4 setup. Look to the nearest left. We can put this one, this EG. Or you can use this EG, no problem. Anyways, also this is a EGs, you know. EG buy, fine. Price are going up. This is the road. This is the roadblock. I delete this one first. Delete this one because too much. Nanti later on you're gonna get confused. So after all the EGs and all the EF bar again, everything's are saying bye. So what thing you need to monitor first thing is actually this is the roadblock that you have to be scared of. There's one. This is also, if you look to the nearest left, if you pull at this one, you don't care already because why? See, break up. Can you see or not? This one, break with body. So I know, oh, this EG fail, already fail. I cannot use anymore. Don't care already. Let it be. Let it be. This is EG fail by. Not just that. Press saying buy again. EG fail buy again. Want to buy here? Sure. AUD USD on H4 give you what? Now can I enter buy here? If I buy here, where is your exit? Will be my exit. Will be my TP. So how I want to enter buy? Okay, here. I saw one dominant candlestick breakout. I put one straight line. If I put one straight line, I go to the H1 or F15 to find my confirmation. If I go to the H1, I saw nothing. You know, only I can see an engulfing fail here, but it's a bit, you know, it's a bit throughout the lines, but it's okay. Still near with our line, no problem. Not until this line. Okay, so now perfect. EF
Yeah,
fail by.
I have a question. 1 minute
Yes.
here.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have like two zones. Okay, let's say price is pulling back. We have this engulfing fail. If that small engulfing fail.
Mm-hmm.
You see this one on the left side?
You mean this? Hold on. Engulfing fail. This one you mean?
Yes, this one.
Uh-huh.
And down we have this one. Sometimes which one the price is pulling back?
Obviously, the one at the middle, in the nearest place. Because if you take this one, will be your left eyes. We don't want to disturb our left eyes. We just want to focus on our current market price, our right eyes.
Okay, from where the move start, you mean?
Yes. The that's why we put one straight line to indicate engulf to engulf or EF only after this line, or maybe just a little bit from outside of this line. No problem, can. But we don't take until this line. No, this is a no trade zone.
Okay, because sometimes if we say prices start going bullish from down, okay, we have first EF, that second EF, and we have third EF. Sometimes price react from the third EF up there, and I'll be waiting down here for this EF to pull back, and price pull back from there. From there, price start to go.
Price to go. Then if you feel that why price reacting to my left eye zone, you can go one time frame lower to double check, because on lower time frame they will definitely tell you. Because why I don't want you to take this setup to this left eye, because if you take something throughout to this left eye zone, will be H1 setup, not H4 setup. That's the rule. I repeat again. If you take something EGs from the left eyes, it will be lower time frame setup. If this one H1 setup, it will be H1 setup. H1 setup will not going to go really far away compared to H4 because it's lower time frame setup. So that's why you want to focus only throughout this area only, not this area. If you can see here, like this kind of example, it's already failed and failed again, 2 times failed. So definitely I'm not going to take this one. Okay, so in this case of situation, I saw my EF fail, then I'm not going to enter on H1. I will precise more on F15. Okay, if you go to the F15, if you see here already, try to find engulf for EF, but try to figure it out. Is this a value or not for the EF? If this one already break out, you know that, oh, this EF already been break out. So like this kind of situation, like this kind of scenario, you can see that even though you go until F15, you cannot see any clear picture. Why price make reaction here, but nothing? If you look here, there's a dominant. On the lower time frame, there must be EG. There's EG by there. So there's structures here already. So you saw nothing. It's not clear. Yes, if like this kind of situation, if this is not clear, only that you are allowed to go until where? M5. Because why? It's not clear. I go already until M15. It's not clear. So I need to go until M5. You see? If I go to M5, only that I can see that, oh, actually, price making a, hold on. Let me check. Boom, like that. Okay. If like that, price making a reaction toward where? Oh, this AG buy here. Okay, if I pull like this one, You see? Perfect. EG buy, break out and EG buy again, sideways. Big sideways, pull back again. Entry point. Will be your first entry point for buying. Okay. If you miss your entry there, it's okay. I always mentioned before, wait for EG fail. But there's no pullback here for now. But try to find again another zone. Here's another big sell. You see? Compared to this one, EG sell. Price make a breakout and price make a pullback. It's also EG sell. Two zones. But for me, if I saw this kind of two zone, if you don't want to put zone, also no problem. But if you want to put, no problem. So because it's sitting near with each other, so no problem. Breakout, pullback, entry. Entry. Why? Another EG buy. Just entry. Will be your entry point. Why I cannot entry here? For this EF, no pullback. How I want to entry? There's no pullback. So now your job is, you already entry here, you already entry here. So your job is you have to be scared with your nearest roadblock. So for M5 situation, your nearest roadblock is only here. This is only M5. If you already entry here, you want to monitor, keep on picking on M15, M5, H1. That's the zone that you have to check. Okay, you entry here, entry here, entry here. Everything's the same buy. But for the M15, the roadblock is that time, not this one, not this area, but throughout this area. So you will definitely feel that, oh, maybe I still can hold the position. Maybe price can break this one because the roadblock is here, a bit far away from here. I still can hold my position. If price break out my zone, if price can break through my this lower EG cell, the next zone I will target will be this EG. Then maybe this EG, this is the middle of EF like that. That's it. I will monitor definitely. Entry here, entry there, just monitor. Can go through or not? Can go through or not? If all the roadblocks on F15 price able to break through, trust me, you have to double check on H1. Because why? All the roadblock on F15 already been clear. Double check on H1. If everything can be clear already, it will be next what? There's nothing already. H1, this is EG cell. This is EG cell, the big one. The big one, EG cell. If price able to break through everything, definitely price gonna fail. Flew until when? Until where? This is your zone. On H1, this is the zone, but you have to be careful because you already entered on lower time frame, so you have to be careful with the roadblock on H1 and the roadblock on H1 too, like that. Step by step. One by one. Simple. Waiting game. That's what I did every day. Every single day. That's what we did. Repeat the same thing. Same process. Waiting game. Patience. Like that. So now if you ask me, Mel, can I enter on this M5 buy? Can I enter buy here? Think it again. You want to enter buy here? This is sell zone. If I were you, at least I'm gonna wait for the price to pull back at least around this buy zone. At least for this buy zone. If price pull back here again, I will enter buy. I will enter buy. If I buy here, then price continue going down. It's okay. I still have buy here and I still have buy here. 3 zones. So maybe from here, so I enter here maybe from here to here. Only how many zones? Only 13 pips. It's okay. It's doable. It's not like a goal, but if goal, definitely you're gonna cut loss because why? Goal is really huge. Huge one. This one only 15. I'm gonna hold my position. So entry nicely. Do not overtrade. Do not overtrade everything. If you overtrade, you are definitely gonna get margin call really, really soon. Siraj, is everything clear?
Yeah. So now price is pulling back to this engulfing buy. You will enter.
This in EG buy?
Yeah, this EG buy you will enter.
I will wait for at least for the price to pull back until the EG buy here. At least this EG. It's not EG yet.
Yeah, it's EG.
This one. It's not pull back yet. Have to wait. For now, not yet pull back. Have to wait properly inside my zone.
Yeah, I mean if it pull back to this area, you will enter and put.
Yes, I will enter. I will enter. Before I enter, I calculate first. From here, the worst case scenario would be what? Oh, from here up until here would be how many pips or 13 pips. Then I calculate, can I my margin still can hold or not? because I FOMO, fear of missing out. I want to enter here. I scared market will laugh me. I want to enter here. Entry here, but calculate. Oh, can go through now from here up until here. The worst case scenario. Like that. Waiting game. But usually we have no idea which zone price gonna come. So that's why we do like this. That's why we keep on do the targeted zone, because we don't know which zone gonna come, which price gonna come and make a reactions towards our zone like that. So I will wait. If price come here, I will enter here. Okay. If price continue go until down here, I will make this one as a targeted zone. Like that. Like that. So waiting game. Patience. Be patient. Sabar. Sabar first. If you enter on this area, you know already. You have to be ready with the floating. Sometimes price don't want to respect here. Boom. Continue until here. So, but it's okay. I calculate. Oh, can. No problem, because it's too small. Only a few pips only. 13 pips like that. Then okay. Okay, it's doable. No problem. But for gold, do not do like that. If you want to enter, sure, you can enter. Be careful. Be careful. You want to enter, be careful. If price break your entry point, you have to cut loss for gold. Gold is really volatile. Okay, Siraj?
Yes.
Tamam?
Yes, okay, before we end this, can we have just a quick revising from direction SOP and setup, and let's end this session?
Sorry?
I said, can we have a quick like revising?
Sure, you want to revise? Then you revise. I hear. Is your revise correct or not?
Yeah. So
Okay.
we start from let's say the component, the
Which
things
pair?
that let's say gold.
Gold. Okay.
I hate gold too for to me. Let's go to
No
EU.
problem. EU?
GU.
GU, GBP, USD. Sure, GBP is nice. I like it. Okay. Okay, tell me. You revise
Right.
again. One more time. Yep.
Okay, let's revise one more time. So,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's start from weekly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is weekly for me. Okay, it has an engulfing field to sell.
Wait, let me change the color for a while. Okay, which one? Sell here.
Down,
Mm-hmm.
down.
Oh, down. This one.
Yes, I want to
Okay.
start from the move, from the
Okay.
memo.
Good.
Okay, this is the candle of the week. Okay, let's assume that we start this week from this closing black candle. Okay,
You will
this is,
start from this closing black candle here.
yeah. So we see our SOP and everything. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so let's go daily.
Daily. You don't want to make marking your rooftop? You just mark your base?
This is my rooftop. Okay,
Uh-huh. Which one
I
will
will
be your
mark.
rooftop?
To be honest, I'll mark this engulfing failed sale, engulfing buy fail
Engulfing by field. Where is it?
on the left side.
This one.
Yes,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I'll mark this one
Okay. Then you go to.
to daily
Mm-hmm.
to precise this zone. Okay, it's the same zone, nothing much
Mm-hmm.
on the engulfing sale, but I will also focus on
This one, you mean?
this. This is my EF. Is it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And my first roadblock must be this engulfing cell
Yep. The robot will be this EG cell.
and the upper EG cell also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Okay, so now we delete our weekly engulfing field. We
Mm-hmm.
don't need. Okay, so when price pull back to that zone, it gives me engulfing buy.
This one, you mean? It's already break up, right? This one, right?
Yeah. It
Uh-huh.
gives me
Wait.
engulfing buy.
I change a bit the color because there's two line. Later you get confused. Okay. So after price break up, price pull back a bit, quick EG buy. So you want to check on H4 what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So we go to the H4. H4. Okay. Right. Okay. So next.
Okay, and H4 price give me engulfing buy.
Mm-hmm.
Why we did not take this upper one, this upper engulfing buy?
This upper easy buy, this one you mean?
Yes.
This one, like I mentioned before. This one. Wait. The reason is simple. Why I always take something inside the zone? Usually, it will respect inside the zone like that, not the surface like this one. You see?
Okay.
Even though the
Because
structure is there, up until there only. Small. Not clear compared to this one.
yeah, because this is one of my mistakes. I will take the outer.
You're gonna take the outer one, right? Compared to the inside. This
First
one.
one, because I will see like no need for market to go down. That's as my thought.
So, but for this kind of situation, actually, you need to do like a lot of back tests and current tests for you to realize, for your eyes to realize the big structure. So, like I mentioned before, compared to this EG structure, which is the most beautiful one, definitely the lower one, the big one. See, go up until here. Compare to the one that only up until here, and see how the difference is. The structure is the main role here.
Okay, let's say let's go.
Okay, then which one you
Okay.
take?
Okay, the down one.
The down one. Okay.
Okay. Let's say price pull back to the down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Immediately I put my alert there. Okay, price touch the zone. Immediately I will jump to H1 to see what's happening.
Okay.
Okay, for me, according to this price action, nothing much. I'll go to 15.
Okay. And 15. Okay. Then.
Yeah. So in M15, uh, okay, I'm looking now. It gives me engulfing buy. Okay.
There you go. Okay.
Okay. So I will enter there. Okay. Like I'll put my stop loss below this zone because I like to use stop loss. Okay. This is my, and I wait for price to break this engulfing sell on my near left. Okay. And you see inside my zone, inside my buying zone, I have also engulfing sell failed, right?
Inside your here.
Yes.
Yep.
So when price pull back, maybe yeah, I will enter because this for me is the engulfing sell with engulfing buy.
Yes, can. No problem. Because it's EF buy already, even though there's a roadblock there, it's okay. You can enter because it's near with your current price. No problem.
So if I enter from here, then my first target would be this M15 EG sell.
Maybe you scared this one, right? That time.
Yeah, this first. But to be honest, Mel, what I will do immediately after I enter, let's say I enter in 4 hours, right? Just immediately target my 4 hour roadblock immediately, or 1 hour roadblock. I don't used to consider small time frames roadblock because I see like it's easy to break, but
Yep. Yeah, you are right. You're right because of why? If you are using a H4 setup compared to the if you're using H4 setup compared to the F15 roadblock is nothing actually, right? It's nothing. But if you realize around this area, throughout this area also, okay, let's say this is would be your wait, let me check on F15. Where is it? The small roadblock one. I change the color a bit, maybe I put green for it to see better. Okay. So if you go to the H4, okay, if you're oriented around this area, so this one around this area, why I say you have to be careful with the robot also because you see on H4 story, in H4 story, even though there's nothing, only a shadow, but if you look to the left, it's actually EG buy. EG buy what? EG buy fail. So you must be scared at all. Actually, you must be scared. You must be feel so scared because of why? The EG buy has been breakout and it's creating engulfing cell. You are buying there. You are buying here. So you are buying here, but unfortunately there's engulfing fail cell. So you must be scared. Same thing also. H4 also a roadblock here. Not just on M15. Inside H4 got M15 roadblock. So for the roadblock, take profit and exit, like I've told you, you have to reverse the way that we precise. What I mean reverse by the way that we precise is actually, we usually precise, we go H4, H1, and F15, right? We follow the order like this one. But for the roadblock, take profit and exit, you have to check first from F15. If all the roadblock on F15 clear, only that you go to H1. If everything clear on H1, only that you go to H4. You're not going to entry on F15, but check the roadblock on H4 directly like that. No. step by step.
So
Because
the-
why? Here.
yeah, you start your analysis forward, but your roadblock on backward.
You come again? You start what?
Start the analysis forward, H4, H1, M15.
Mm-hmm.
For the roadblock, you go backward, like M15, H1, H4.
Yes, exactly. We have to double check one by one. Because what you did, what you did, well, for example, okay, you enter on F15 throughout this area, okay? You enter on F15 throughout this area, you don't want to check on H4, or you don't want to check on F15 or H4, you straight away go to the H4. Maybe that time, there's no EG buy here, maybe your broker doesn't create any EG, but it create EG here, on EG here. But the roadblock is here on F15. You neglect, you just abandon, you just do nothing with the roadblock and everything. So you just feel that, oh, maybe my roadblock is here. So what happened? You're gonna hold a position here, right? Without realizing that lower time frame price make a reaction on F15 here, then price reverse. Boom. You enter a lot here already. See? Maybe you enter around here a lot already. You enter here, then reverse again. Then what happened? Maybe you say you put stop loss here, right? And price take your stop loss. After price take your stop loss, price go really fall like that. It's really pain to see, it's really hurtful thing to see after you wait for so long, and after that price just take your stop loss and got nothing. See, you're gonna get emotional. Then after that, you're gonna feel that, oh, I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to find a good trade. Price always take my stop loss, and after that, price gonna go like that. So that's why I prefer cut loss compared to stop loss. So see all the follow first. F15, H1, H4. If you want to precise, H4, H1, F15. Just like that. Vice versa. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is on H4 roadblock. You see, same thing if this one can go through. Will be the H4 roadblock. Inside H4, got engulf also. On H1 and I15, same thing apply. So this will be the roadblock. If you open on I15, okay, or maybe I15. If you open on F15, this is the roadblock that you be scared one, right? If you put at this one, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be engulfing fail for you to find an entry, another opportunity before price push really fall like that. Breakout, right? Pull back one shadow.
Yeah.
Okay, now
You know, one thing, like, let's go back to H4 only.
H4. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Uh-huh.
Let's delete this yellow zones. This is the yellow zone.
This one, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's keep the price like this. Okay. And
Uh-huh.
let's assume this is engulfing cell. Okay. This engulfing cell.
This
And
one, okay.
price close back close with the body inside.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just which one?
Okay, maybe close body here, like this one, you mean? Or
No,
this one?
yeah.
Okay, this one,
Let's
okay.
let's think this is H4 setup cell. Okay, let's jump to H1.
Okay.
So for me, I'll jump to H1. Okay, like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh yeah. Now H1 give me. Let's can delete the rest of the zones. Just keep for me the main zone. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So
All right. So you just give me the green zone like that.
yeah.
Okay,
So
then. Uh-huh.
immediately H1 for me, I go to H1 from H4. So
Uh-huh.
H1 created engulfing cell.
Okay.
Okay, I will mark that zone.
Uh-huh.
I'll wait for price to pull back.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now price pull back and close the body. Let's jump to M15.
Okay. Okay.
When we jump to M15,
Uh-huh.
I'll just from where did price pull back? Which one is the pullback? Can we go back to H1 to put a line?
Wait, let me check. Okay. We'll go back to where? H1?
Yeah, to put a line.
H1, pull back. You want to put where? This one.
Yeah, on the
Pull
candle.
back. This one or this one?
No, this one.
This one.
No, the next one.
This one.
No, the next one, right side.
All right,
Yes, yes.
sir. Okay. Then you go
Which
to the F15.
let's go to back to M15.
Okay.
Okay, so we went back to M15.
Uh-huh.
I'll look for price like this for me. You see? Now what I will do?
Uh-huh.
Precise this zone to this small M15. Yeah, this one.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And for me, I will look to the left. Okay, this price broke a EG buy failed here on the right side.
Uh-huh.
This EG buy.
This one you made?
This one, yeah,
Okay.
it breaks, right?
Then
So
three.
when price pullback, yeah, I will
Mm-hmm.
enter with my confirmation will be this engulfing sell.
Here. Mm-hmm.
Yes, engulfing sell plus engulfing fail.
Mm-hmm.
Engulfing fail. I will layer like 5 layers.
Mm-hmm.
Price will just go a little bit down. Bob, stop loss.
Just put a little bit down.
Yeah, I just enter like 5 to 6 positions. Then
Mm-hmm.
price will go just a bit, just a small down. You understand?
Then you put stop loss where? Here or here?
Yeah, yeah, here. So,
You
so
see?
price,
Mm-hmm.
this price. I mean, like when you see, like now my SOP is I have engulfing sell plus engulfing failed to buy failed at the same place. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
price pullback. I enter 5 positions. Price will go just on my direction, small, just a little small, like 1 to 3 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then I say, yeah, okay, this is the right direction. I put a alarm, like if price reverse, I will know.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I go to do something. I did not even go 5 minutes to 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I the alarm killing. I go, I find a big bullish candle, for example, or a big bearish candle on that area if I'm buying or selling,
Mm-hmm.
then it's reverse.
Yeah, reverse. Okay. 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 Now I explain to you. Okay, for the step from the H4 that you find, then you go to H1, you go to the F50, you entry and process everything is actually correct. The step is actually correct. But one thing that you forgot to did is you don't double check on high time frame. You skip the SOP. If you skip the SOP, definitely you're gonna have like this kind of situation. Why? Because on H4 there's a lot of EG sell. There's a lot of EG buy. Which EG should you take? if the if you have like this kind of question, trust me, you don't understand about the high time frame. You don't check on high time frame at all. So that's why it happened like this one. Okay, now we try to break down what happened to your setup, why it's failed. Okay, your everything's process is completely perfect, nice, perfect. But what happened if you go to the H4, you just only want to find a a sell setup like this one, even though the structure is so nice, the sideways pullback and everything is so nice, but why the setup is failed? Okay, easy. If you want to sell around this area on H4, double check one time frame higher or two time frame higher to the surrounding. You want to sell, right? Check for the surrounding. Okay. I want to sell around this area. Look at my surrounding. What's going on that time? If you really look at the surrounding, okay, I'm gonna do like this. In case you want to entry sell around this area, right? If you look at the surrounding, if you see already, if you look to the nearest left, okay, to the something that align with your current price, okay, what happened? I put one straight line here.
Mel, can we delete the rest of the boxes and the lines because I
Sure.
get confused.
Sure. I delete here. Delete this. Yeah. Okay. Like that. So the line that you are entering also. Okay. So this one also. Okay, delete. Okay. So what happened? You want to sell this area, right? If you want to sell on this area,
We
if
are selling. We are selling in which candle? The
you're selling around this area, wait, let me show you.
okay, this candle.
F15, which one that you're selling? Okay, you're selling around this area, right? Maybe I'll try to change the color a bit for you to my striking color, a bit striking. Wait. Like that. Oops. So bright. Okay. So if you look at the surrounding, that one a H4 setup. If you look on the daily setup, try to look at the surrounding. Okay. So now you can see that start from here, price making you what? Uptrend movement. Uptrend. Everything's are giving you engulfing fail buy, easy to easy buy, all the buy structure. And if you see here, if you are selling around this area, you see that there's one easy sell here. There's a breakout dominant and there's a pullback. So on a daily basis, on a daily setup, the origin of the price is actually buy, not sell. Even though if you look to the left, there is still EG sell and EF sell. See, even though I change the color. Even though you look at the this position, you can see that, oh, Mel, there's a EG cell here. There's a EG cell here, and there's EG cell, there's engulfing field cell here. Even the price giving you the same thing, if you see he's already it stopped here, still price continue going up. Price not even respect this EG fail. Why? Price breakout just like that because of the downtrend here. This is on a daily. You want to double confirm.
But
Okay.
Mel, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yep.
Now, for me, we have engulfing buy field right there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So according to this, my setup there, the confirmation I find, is it not right to sell?
Sorry, if the according to your setup, is it
Yeah.
not what?
According to this engulfing buy field,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the price went back to that engulfing buy field
Mm-hmm.
on daily, then on H4 and H4, it gives me that confirmation engulfing to engulfing,
Mm-hmm.
and H engulfing to engulfing, and
Mm-hmm.
M15. I must sell, right?
Okay, you must sell. But the thing is direction. Daily
Mm.
and weekly. You don't forget these two things. Because just now you show me on H4, only H4. You find the setup, easy sell. This one. Only
Mm.
H4 EG. You don't even check on a daily. You don't even check on weekly what's going on that time. You don't know. So if you double check on higher time frame, at least weekly and daily, you're not going to have these kind of situations. You see, this area, around this area, you have a problem with the setup, this area, right? If you open around this area also, you can see everything's doing what? Uptrend movement, uptrend, uptrend. This one only a roadblock. It doesn't mean you're gonna sell yet. Just a roadblock. You see, if you pull at this one also, it's creating engulfing fail buy on the weekly. Okay, there was a weekly. If I open on the daily, same thing. Daily give me engulfing fail buy. You see here, in Malay, we call this one as a tangga kenaikan. What is mean by that? The uptrend movement, uptrend movement, uptrend movement. Not a downtrend. This is a downtrend. You see the difference. You are selling, you are selling at the selling at the uptrend movement. That's the bigger picture. Think it rationally. Think it rationally. This is a downtrend. This is an uptrend. You try to sell at the uptrend movement. Is that a good thing to do or not? Not just that, price give you engulfing fail buy again. Even though price give you engulfing fail sell, it doesn't mean you need to sell. You see how it break up? That's the point. If the price give you engulfing fail sell, oh, I have must sell. No. What price gonna give you when price enter inside our setup? What confirmation? If price gonna respect, yes, it's going down. If price going to your zone, but suddenly break up, definitely price will continue going up like that. As simple as that. I show you again. I show you again another example. Okay, I show you again. I randomly find any pairs. Okay, I delete this one, the big one. Okay, I randomly find any setup. Okay, without looking on higher time frame. I will do the same. Hold on. Simply because if you look on high time frame, you're gonna definitely know what's going on. Okay, if I open H4, I straight away find any setup that I feel that is complete. Okay, wait. Wait, the gap one is so bad. Okay, hold on, it's hang. Why it's hanging? Wait, hold on a second. I find you one perfect structure, then you're gonna see how you're gonna know why. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay, this one for now. Okay, for a while. Even though it could engulf the engulf cell, perfect. But what's going on? What make the price is cannot go really far away? Simple. From here, price create engulf the engulf cell with full confirmation, but started from here, price started to stuck and unable to go through. Okay, why? The concept is simple. The roadblock cannot go through. But if let's say I will precise here, okay, this is H4, I go to H1, I do the same thing. I'll do the same thing. I do the same thing, H1. Okay, so I go to the H1, I saw nothing here, right? H1 doesn't give me anything. So definitely I'm going to the lower time frame to find the setup. To the F15. I jump to F15. Can see or not? Perfect. Okay. See, like this one on GBP USD. Even though I go until F15, I don't see any clear picture. I can only see one engulfing cell here. There's a closing candle cell and there's a pullback. If you want to entry here, yeah, no problem. It will be high risk setup like I told you. Because why? It's only one eyes engulfing. But if you hesitate to enter, you feel scared to enter, you want to precise more 2 and 5, go ahead, no problem. One thing I tell you, do not get confused. That's it. Oh my God, I just scroll my lines in it. Let me see. Come again. Where is it? Okay. I accidentally pulled my line. Okay, sorry. Okay, can I go back to the lower time frame? Maybe can see or not? Oh, fine. Let's see. Let's try. Okay, 5. This is your setup. Because if you go to the lower time frame, you can definitely see price creating engulf the engulf. Yeah, like this one. Perfect. Or maybe EG, like that. You see? Even though you go until M5, price create you what? EG sell. Saying the same thing. I'm going down. I'm not going up. Closing candle sell, there's a pullback. This is the point that you enter. Okay? Not just that.
From this point.
Yes. Not just that. Another engulfing fail. For you to entry. Double confirmation saying sell. So price slowly going down. So you must be scared with the nearest root block. Right. Creating dominant buy, dominant sell, there's a pullback. Again, your entry point. So you enter a lot. So everything's you'll be scared with the roadblocks and everything here and there like that. But price can able to break through, but there's no pullback here. So what happened after price break up everything? Okay, you already have a lot of entries, and you can see from here up until here, you already have like 47 pips for GBP USD. As I mentioned before, do not compare currency with the gold. Gold will definitely give you a lot more, maybe 100 pips, maybe 200 pips. Okay, for the GU, only here up until here you can have around 47 pips. Okay, so what happened if you don't realize or you don't check on high time frame, you keep on holding your position, you are expected for the price to give you at least 100 pips. Because of why? You say that, oh, I'm using H4 setup. H4 setup must give me 80 pips or 100 pips. Now only 47 pips. It's not fair. I want to hold again your position. So what happens if you still keep on holding your position without understanding on higher time frame direction that time? Price keep on stuck here. This is the dominant area. H1 saw nothing, right? You go H1. H4 saw nothing. You go H1. Okay. If you go to H1, this is your EG buy. Okay, this is your EG buy, but price unable to come here. If you look here, if you adjust to the dominant area, okay, you see why price unable to go through? Make a reaction on engulfing fail and keep on continue going up. You keep on entry here, right? Entry here. So if sometime maybe you put a BE here, or maybe you got a re-entry around this EF here, then what happens? Price take everything, then continue going down again. Because of why? First thing first, you don't understand the bigger picture structure. Okay, then you can feel that this is a one example that I can say that the structure is not really nice actually for you to find an entry. That's the meaning of the structure and the sideways and everything. How I want to determine the structure is good or not? By the sideways. The sideways. The more bigger sideways, the more further price can go. The small sideways, only here price can go. From here up until here, you see, I will draw for you to understand more better. Okay, this setup. Okay, here's and here. This is a sideways, the smiley face, but price only can melt until here. But compared to this EG cell, to this structure, you see the big smiley face. Even though this is a pullback, I don't care. But this is my smiley face. What happened from here up until here? Price can. Nah. The more bigger sideways, the more further price can go. That's the point. Okay, understand? So for you to choose the structure also important, for you to understand the high time frame also important. Not just you look on an H4 only. No, you have to look on at least on daily, on weekly. Oh, I want to sell around this area. I have to be careful. If I'm selling around this area, I have to be careful. Okay, so your H4 setup is here, right? Okay, your H4 setup is here. I change the color a bit. Because you have to understand the movement of the market. If you don't understand the movement of the market, you should be fine. You should be fine. Okay. So if you look at the surrounding that time, okay. If you look at the surrounding around this area, you want to sell around this area, look at the surrounding. Oh, if I want to sell around this area, which part should I have to be careful with? Because on the daily, I saw nothing. It give me same thing, downtrend. But even though price give you downtrend, you have to remember on a H4, there must be a roadblock because price will move like this. price will definitely move like this. Okay, price will definitely move like this, like that, not straight like that. So from here to here, there's the downtrend movement. From here to here, there's the uptrend movement. There's a buy setup. From here to here, there's a sell setup. From here to here, there's a buy setup, like that. Because price will move like a zigzag, not a straight line like this. Understand? So you see here, from here you want to sell. Oh, why my price is I unable to sell here because of what? I can sell maybe just a bit around this area, maybe so what? Oh, I sell here. Oh, there's a maybe on weekly or H4 setup price unable to give me the you know the best one. So that's why I'm able to complete the setup. Look here, what happened? Even though the price not even respect, oh my god, so bright. Even though price not respecting my engulfing buy after that, but in the meantime, for the price to settle everything up, in the meantime, you're gonna have a bit of uptrend movement. See, easy buy, right? Easy buy. This price will definitely push up the price a bit, even though a bit on a weekly can give a lot of changes or give a lot of reaction on weekly on a H4 like that. See, a buy, but this one still have to settle down the buy setup because why? It's inside the daily, inside the weekly buy setup. So that's why it's unable to melt down for a while. Roadblock, that's it. Come back again, boom, boom, break out, then continue go up like that, go down like that. Clear? Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is what we did. This is what we do. So the way that you explain it to me is actually correct already, but you miss one part. You miss one part on the weekly and daily. Check first. That's the most important thing. Do not straight away, oh, H4 give me easy sell, I want to sell. Oh, H4 give me easy buy, I want to buy. I don't want to check on daily. I don't want to check on weekly. No, that was the biggest mistake that you will did. Trust me. Okay? No time frame, a lot of setup. There's a lot. Which engulf you want to take? Which sell you want to take? We have no idea. But if you check on weekly and daily, you definitely gonna have an idea. To check, oh, which engulf should I take? Or which engulf should I be careful with? Which one should I which one should I focus more? Like that. Okay? Is that clear? More better for the understanding after I explained?
Yes.
Tamam, clear?
Yeah, so just my problem is I need to focus on higher time frame.
Yes. Do not keep
But
on playing on low time frame. High time frame will definitely never cheat you. Trust me.
okay, so but according to what you see, my zone marking is correct. My
Correct.
SOP is correct.
Mm-hmm. Yep, right.
Okay.
The way that your weakness is you don't want to look on high time frame. That's your weakness. You feel that, oh, I just want to focus on H4. No need to go daily, no need to go weekly. No, that's your biggest mistake. If you don't check on high time frame, previously I'm like you also. I will ask my teacher, why should I go until daily and weekly? It's a bigger time frame. Cannot just use H4. I asked him like that. But for some time I figured it out, oh, price will definitely respect on high time frame. Why I keep on looking on lower time frame? I keep on finding the setup on H1. I keep on finding the setup on I-15. It's not the correct thing you do. It's really wrong. The SOP is really it's not correct. It's like, for example, this one. The first SOP, you have to look for a high time frame like that. Look for the setup on higher time frame. Where? On weekly or daily. At least weekly, at least. So that was the first SOP. But what you did, you skip the first part, you go to second part. You skip this one, you straight away go to the H4 and find setup like that. So you skip this part. How? You breach all the SOP? Wrong already. You skip everything, so you're gonna get a lot of this kind of setup. Like ugly setup. You're gonna blew up your account. Like this one. Okay, so after this onward, please double check on high time frame. If you understand on high time frame, you can get more relaxed, more better. So that's why some people choose to be a swinger trade. Yeah, swing trade. What I mean by swing trade, they find a big setup daily, H4 entry on H1. It's more relaxed, less noise, less candlestick, more better, more relaxed. It doesn't mean you have to find a setup every day. No. Find one good quality setup. 1 week you can find a good trade, 3 trade to 4 trades. It's enough already. It doesn't mean, oh, every day I have to find a trade. No. Quality over quantity. Why you want to educate the trade if you not not confident with your setup. Is that correct? I'm not. I did or not? Is this a nice engulf I'm marking or not? You know, you see? Like this kind of things always happen if you don't confident with your setup. If you trading, but then you keep on checking your setup frequently, you don't feel at ease, you feel like really nervous, it means that your setup is something wrong somewhere already. Maybe not set up wrong. The second one, maybe your entry with the proper lot size. That's why you keep on checking your setup like that, your trade. If you have a good quality setup, you enter with the proper lot size, you're gonna feel at ease. Price is gonna follow it. You first definitely gonna follow the trend whenever you ride on the trend like that. If you're against the trend, it will be disaster like this. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, understand. Okay, cool. So that's about it. So this thing, it's actually, if you ask me, Mel, can I do another class again? But after another class, you still keep on looking on lower time frame, it's a waste. Higher time frame, higher time frame, higher time frame. Okay,
Okay.
understand? Higher time frame, find a good structure, only that you can feel more better. You're gonna feel that, oh, I feel relaxed. I feel my setup is good like that. Okay, got any other question to ask me?
No, Mel, did you trade this week?
This week, yes, I do trade on GJ.
Can you show me just your analysis entry and in this session? Thank you.
Yo, no problem. Sure, no problem. So
No,
for the GJ,
I think we analyzed this market last week, me and you, right?
yes, we do analyze also on the GJ. Like I mentioned before, you see the EG buy, but that time, you see, I will show you the difference between you entry at the surface and compare when price properly pull back here. Yesterday, no, yesterday is daily. So yesterday, okay, this is a daily setup on GJ also. Daily are saying buy. Okay, inside this buy zone, also buy zone on a daily. So what happened? Okay, if you go to the H4, okay, this is a setup. Okay, if you realize, okay, if I zoom in a bit, this is EG buy.
1 minute, excuse me.
Ah.
Can you zoom out?
Zoom out, okay.
Yeah. Again, why you did not take this engulfing by the first one here? The one has many weeks. You see this one?
This one.
Yeah.
You see? Breakout. Why I want to take?
Oh, okay. Then
Already break out.
let's assume that it did not break out the first time you see this engulfing, it has many weeks.
I still take.
Are you using this? Will you find the entry there, or you'll just leave it?
Okay. If let's say the market is like this, EG buy. Sorry, I screenshot first. If let's say, okay, this is EG buy. Even though there's a lot of week here, okay, it doesn't matter. If later on price come back here, again here, come back with a proper body. I mean, like come back with a proper lot size, not upper what I say. Come back with a proper body candlestick. Price pull back again here, and then if price give me the same thing, I'll definitely take this zone. It's still valid unless it break out. But in this kind of situation, I do mention before, if certain zone price already come back so many times, sooner or later price gonna break. You see, boom, break out. So I know this zone is not valid. I didn't take this one. Okay.
How many times can the price touch the zone before it breaks?
It's a lot actually. It's depend on the price. Like this kind of situation, a lot of times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 and 9, boom, break out. Usually it's depend on the price. Sometimes 2 to 3 retest, they are breakout like that. Sometimes only 2 breakout like that. It depends on the price. This kind of situation, long sideways, ranging. All right. So what is the case of yesterday? Okay, yesterday, what I did is, okay, see here. First thing, oh, this is not engulfing sell. Why is not engulfing fail? Okay, because on my other broker, this is EG sell. This is EG sell, and then after that, it break out, creating a what we call this one, a pullback, and then after creating a pullback, giving you engulfing buy also, not just that engulfing buy. Okay, so wait. Okay, let me check because yesterday is around this. Okay, so what happened? Okay, what happened? I move it a bit. Okay, so this is engulfing fair that time. Yes, it is EG sell. EG sell, price going down, price break out and pull back throughout this area. Okay, that time is around this area. This is on H4. Okay, this one I delete first. Okay, H4. After that, I go to H1. Okay, After I go to the H1, I saw this EG buy. Okay, I saw this EG buy. So what happened? Okay, what happened? I execute entry. I buy around this area. I buy. Full margin. Buy. But I can only realize that after I buy here, price go up until here. So from here to here, you can get a lot, like not much, but still a lot already. Actually, from here to here, around 45 pips, 90 pips, like that. So if I already load entry around here a lot already, after price move to this engulfing cell, what I did is I have to be careful. If that time I only 15 positions, because I'm using only small account, $25 if I'm not mistaken. $25, I just want to try the new broker. So what I did, okay, I enter a lot here. I think 15 position, if 15 or 13 like that, but 0.01. I layer a lot. Layer. But after that, price go up. Only here until here. So after price go up until here, I secure from the 15 one, I secure 13 setup. I left 2. I set the BE, break even. After I set the break even, I feel relaxed already. I feel relief already because of what? I already secure my profit. I don't care where the price gonna go. I don't care already because I already secure all my and take my profit here. So if we go onto F15, you see here, price keep on go up here, come back again, go up here, come back again, like keep on doing the same thing. So in this kind of situation, I still have a position here. You see, I still have a position buying here. So what happened after price go up here and still keep on coming back? It hit my BE. It take my break even. So if it take my break even, I don't care already because of why? I already secure my 30 entry position. I secure my 30 entry position. If price keep on playing around this area, I know already this is not really smooth straight one. Why keep on coming again? See, take my engulfing fail, go back again inside the zone. So after price go back inside my this engulfing sell zone around this area for too many times already. So this one, price go around 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. After 3 times, what happened? Price come back again to this engulfing fail and it keep on breaking up. You see, going down, break up until price break out this engulfing buy. I feel that okay, fine. Price keep on breaking up my this EG buy. I close all this because it's already hit the BE. After I keep on monitoring, I saw that the price already break up my EG buy here. Okay, fine. I close everything. After I close everything, I just let it be. I go to bazaar to find food, and because that one almost the breaking fast, almost open the breaking the fast, if I'm not mistaken, around that time. So after you break out, after I saw like this kind of breakout, I just close my MT4. That's it. Because of why? I know I already secure my 13 positions. I flip it the account already from the $25 to $64 if I'm not mistaken. Then withdraw $40 like that. At least I secure everything up. I already got my profit. That's it. Enough. For the small account, for the $25, you can have a $40. It's like double for the lot size. It's perfect already. Because I feel that I trade enough. Why? I can see that the price giving me a lot of noises like this. Break up my positions, hit BE. It's not clear structure. That's what I mean by that. After price hit everything, you see, I think on after midnight, after breaking, so after midnight, price started to move really clean one. Because of why? You see here, this is EF setup, right? The one that I enter, that one I keep on entering. It cannot go through because of this big EG cell. Because of this big EG cell, but after price pull back properly inside this EG buy, you see how the one that I tried to explain to you about the surface entry and the 50% entry, you see? This is the EF one, right? This is the EF and this is the EG buy. Yes, price go, but only up until here. Cost stuck on this EG cell. So after start on this EG cell, price meltdown, come back and get this EG buy. So the whole perfect structure will be this one. Will be this one. See? The bigger structure, the more clear structure, the more side-by-side structure, 50%. After price give me 50%, what happened? Flew like that. So nice.
Yeah. Let's look to the also be there on H4, H1.
You want to repeat this one, the lower one?
Yeah, the lower one, the
Sure,
main
no
one.
problem. I delete this one, okay? Later you
Okay,
get confused. Okay. Wait, let me delete all. Easy. So, see the SOP compared to the EF that I entered yesterday. You see here. Price break easy. Okay. So, that time, engulfing buy, price breakout, pull back properly. This is only a shadow, not proper. This one properly. Pull back. This is on H4. Go H1. Okay, after you go to the H1, H1 saw nothing, right? Give you nothing. Go to F15. If you go to the F15, if you can see here already, price started to give you what? Here start to give you EG buy. Okay, price give you EG buy. There's one. After EG buy, price give you again another buy. Perfect.
now, Mel, will you buy from the first EG buy?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, I will buy because that time I'm waiting for the buy. Price give me what EG buy. I will buy. I will definitely. But one more thing I want you to see. Sometimes for the EGs also may give you a big huge impact too. Like this kind of EG, you see the breakup small compared to this one, the EG buy. You see the difference of EGs also. But sometimes people will not even care about this one. But for me, I will take this small little detail like this one. Compared to this small EG and this big EG, how perfect the structure give compared to this small structure. You know, the structure is not nice. Structure is the main
That
point.
and also that EG buy was on a EG sell.
Yes. Yes, exactly. So that's why price unable to go through. And the breakout also not so clean. Okay. So this is will be your entry point. Going up, going up. Scare with the roadblock. It's okay. This is will be your entry point. Entry point. Entry point. So this is will be your EG, EF entry, right? This is EF zone. So this is will be your entry point too. But this is not bad.
Okay, in EF entry, like the down one.
EF entry, the down one. Which one? This one?
Yeah, this one. When price pull back, as you said, sometimes price in EF pull by a week, okay? And sometimes price, let's say if we have down, this is EF, if we have down just a small, below it, EG buy. Sometimes, yeah, you see price give you EG buy in that places. Just
Which
below
one?
just below the zone of the EF.
Below the zone of the
Yeah,
EF?
yeah. Let's assume that below, sometimes you find EF, down it has a, yeah, you see this EG zone, EG buy? If we say it's just a little bit up, a little bit up.
A little bit up. Oh, EG side, you mean here?
No, let's assume it's not there, but let's imagine. You get me?
Imagine, okay, EG side here, EG buy here.
Yeah, EG buy here. You see this bullish candle, big bullish candle? Yeah. Let's keep the box there. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It looks like that. Sometimes you have the EG buy here and EF. You get me?
Okay, so this is a EG buy like that, something like that.
Yeah, below this zone, and
Okay.
that's it. Okay. So price break and price pullback. For which zone do I know price will react? Because sometimes price will just react and continue. It will not close.
Yeah, right.
Just have a week and continue to go.
Okay. So you have no idea which zone price gonna come back, right?
Yeah, from which zone I must buy.
So if I were you, okay, if this is a already breakout dominant, right? If price only come and touch this one, I definitely entry because why? This is complete solid structure EF buy. Entry. Just buy. If price reverse, I know already, oh, price reverse, maybe just want to go inside this EG buy zone. I entry. I just entry. Okay, because of why? It's near already, near with each other. So no problem. Two confirmation. Because and one more thing that I feel so confident because whenever price start pull back here, it's still inside my zone. Inside my setup zone. So I don't care. Entry. It's okay. Be confident with your setup. Be firm. If you're still scared to enter, that's mean you are lack practice of current market price. So you need to practice a lot more. Okay?
Okay, I guess it.
All right, great. So that's we find an entry. Just you see after price you see give me pullback here, another hint here, everything's are saying up, they are going up. So from here up until here can give you how many pips? 343 pips. You see how beautiful price can straight away go if the structure is so nice compared to something that I entry for engulfing failed yesterday like that. You see? two different things. So this one you can learn also. Wait. Because one more thing I want to tell you, if you are busy, you cannot monitor your chart frequently, better don't trade. Okay. If you're trading, then you cannot monitor your chart, yeah, you're gonna be like this. Yes, you can enter, you still can secure, but you're gonna feel like inside in your heart, you feel like I wait for so long and take my BEs, but after that, after I sleep, price continue going up like that. Yeah, it will always happen. That was a normal thing to happen inside trading things. Normal thing. Sometimes the hours different in Malaysia. Whenever our sleep time like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., definitely price definitely gonna go up, and all the structure will complete. But that time Malaysian already sleep. So time zone also sometimes let you feel a bit, hurtful to see this one. But it's okay. There's always a chance for you to find another new setup because there's a bunch more pairs here. You just choose, right? Just choose anything that you want.
Can you see gold? Can you see gold?
Sorry?
Just look at gold.
Uh-huh.
So right now price closed. Okay, let's just draw the last engulfing sell. This H4.
This one?
Yes, price closed. Okay, let's jump to H1.
Okay.
Okay, so price right now is in the upper
Nothing.
end.
Nothing
Yeah.
yet. Yeah. So you cannot do anything. This is nothing yet. If you feel that, man, I want to take this EG to sell, you try and see. You try and see. Already break up.
No, this is one. I'll just precise my zone to that up EG. Yeah.
Fine. This one you mean?
Yeah.
This will be H1 setup.
Yeah. Okay, it will be H1 setup.
Yes. Price can still melt down. Price still can go if you take this one, but it's not going to go for really, really melt down a lot. Maybe price maybe can
No,
go
it just go to
one,
the.
or maybe this one, or maybe this one. I don't know, but usually if you take this H1, it's not going to fall so long. Compared to something create here, EG to EG or EF here will be more better. You'll be more ease, more relaxed because you see on CMP give you another hint for sell compared to only H1 sell.
No,
Okay, that.
I don't get this point. But let's go back to H4 one by one. Just I want to get this point. Delete everything.
Okay.
Okay. Just I want to get a point. Okay. Let's say I draw this EG cell H4. Okay. Now I find price pull back to my zone. I jump back to H1.
You mean you find price back to your zone? Which one?
Yeah, price pull back to my zone, then I jump back to H1.
Okay, jump back to H1. Okay.
Okay, so I find price like this. Okay, when pulling back to my zone. So I have engulfing field, buy field, and I have engulfing sell.
This one?
No, the main one, the one on the left side.
This one.
Yeah, this one and the
Uh-huh.
engulfing buy down. The engulfing buy sell down. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
So if I delete the H4 box, let's delete the H4 box.
Okay.
Okay, if I'm taking this setup, okay, my root block will be this down one engulfing by the down one, the last one of the chart.
Yes. This one, the first one first. This is the
Down
first.
one. Okay, this is
Then
the first. Okay, and
this
then
is
the down one. Yeah. So you said this setup will be H1 setup, not H4?
yes, H1 setup, no H4. Correct.
How?
Okay. Sorry, hello? You there?
How? Yeah.
Yeah.
How? Don't
How?
understand it.
Because when you do a back test, you will understand what I'm saying. If you find this setup, you see, you find the EG on H1. This is a H1 setup, not H4 setup. If H4 setup, okay, this is a big zone on H4. Whenever price started to pull back to your zone, this one give you another EGs. Or if H1 doesn't give you anything, or you go to the F15, F15 give you EG to EG sell or EF sell, definitely price gonna go more further. Price definitely gonna go more further. If this one, H1, okay, H1, if you insist to try to set up on H1, yes, you can go ahead. But like I told you, any setup lower than H4 will consider this one as a scalping. So if a scalping, fast in, fast out, you cannot expect for the price to melt down up until here. Unless, but sometimes gold will definitely give you, even though on H1 setup. But definitely they're gonna give you something here on EG to EG or EF cell here around this area, CMP, to be more confident, to be more solid, and price can go more further. If like this kind, maybe price only EG to EG, maybe price only go up until here, or maybe there's a news or something, maybe yeah, price can push up until here, but seldomly happen. Seldomly happen.
Can you explain this one more time because I did not get it well?
You don't, okay, like this. For example, if you want to find this setup, okay, let me delete first this one. If you want to find this setup, this is only a H1 setup. Price can just straight away break up your zone like that one easily. Because of why?
Okay, how can it be a H4 setup?
Okay, how it can't be H4 setup? If this is the big zone on H4, okay, just now we delete everything, right? I go to H4. If you want to say this is a H4 setup, you have to make sure, okay, this is the H4. Let me change the color. This is a H4 setup. If you want to say this is a H4 setup, you have to wait for the pullback to properly go inside your zone. Okay. You have to wait for the pullback properly inside your zone, maybe closing candle like this one. If press properly pull back inside your zone, you can put one straight line. If you put one straight line, only that you go to the H1 or M15 to find what? On low time frame, same thing. Engulf to engulf sell or engulfing fail sell. Where? Here. This part.
Yeah,
this part.
engulfing. You mean I find first of all market make an engulfing sell on H1.
Yes,
then,
after this line.
Okay, then price pull back to that zone and again make engulfing sell?
No, if on F15, if you have one engulfing sell, you're already marking here, right? When price break up and pull back, straight away entry. Because why? You already have this EG, one eyes on H1. So whenever price break up, pull back, just enter. Because why? This is
the
your
same
time frame. Sorry?
The same on H1 and M15?
Yes, the same. H1 and F15. Because why? After this line. Because why I do like this one? We basically have left eye and right eyes like that. So this will be your nose like that. This is your smiley face. So if price break out and pull back, create you another right eyes. Will be complete structure for you. If you only trading based on H1 only, will be a lower time frame setup, H1 setup. Price not going to go really far away compare H1 price, not going to far away go compared to H4. H4, it's a bigger time frame, will go definitely more better compared to H1. That's the point. You got what I mean?
Kind of. Don't you have an example?
Okay. So how I want to show example if it's not complete yet. Okay, for example, I show you. Okay, hold on. Let me find one. Okay. Okay, so let me find one. EG. Okay, let me try to check first. Let me see.
What about this one, the down one?
Which one?
Down one.
This one?
Yeah.
Sure. Hold on. This is H4 because sometimes if price can give you, you can still enter also, no problem. But like I told you, this is H1 setup. Okay, so let's say, okay, this one H4, right? If you don't put like this kind of a line, you definitely gonna take this one, right? Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take this one. So you're gonna monitor again on I-15. Okay, so this will be your I-15. So your I-15, you see, you definitely gonna try to find or an engulfing fail here or engulf here, right? This one, if you want to take on left eyes, right? You're gonna mark it here, right? If you're gonna take on left eyes, correct or not? You're gonna wait for this pullback to entry, or maybe you can find like around this area. Okay, maybe around this area. See, there's another EG cell here, right? Correct or not?
No, but I see like this example is so messy. I don't know why.
That's why I said, because if you want to take the left eyes, okay, that's the point. If you want to take the left eyes, you're gonna be really complicated. It will be really, really, we don't want previously, like past 2 to 3 years ago, this is the first technique that my teacher taught me. we need to precise everything until H1 and 15, but using only left eyes. But for nowadays, we're not going to use that kind of technique anymore. Precise until left eye, because it's going to get messy. You're going to see a lot of engulfing. So that's why we put one straight line. We just focus on current market price will be better. Just focus here. Why you want to focus here? Here, you see? Okay, this is for example. You see a lot of EG, you're going to get confused. A lot of EG. There's EG here, EG here, EG here. Which EG should you take? Compared to something,
That's why I am
focus here.
confused.
That's what? You're breaking up. Come again?
Yeah, I said that's why I am confused.
Yes. So this is the first example. You get confused already. Not even entry yet. You confused already. I give you another example. If you want to process on using left eyes. Okay, left eyes. Okay, engulfing cell, press breakout and put back here again. So you go to H1. Okay, if you go to H1, okay, let's say you want to take this EG.
Amel, 1 minute. Can you delete every drawing and again, because like I see many drawings.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. From H4 or is H4?
This one you
Wait.
mean? Start again?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is EG, right? Breakout. Pull back. Okay, pull back. H4, right? Go to H1. Okay. So if you want to use on left eye, you keep on taking the left eye, you're going to take this one, EG, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened? Break up, pull back, boom, entry. You sell here. Sell here. So you don't look until other people. Okay, you sell here. So what happened? You sell. Yeah, you are right. Your setup is right. I didn't say your setup is wrong. Your setup is right, but definitely not going to go far away. You see? From here, go up until here. Okay. For gold, definitely gonna give you 200 pips. Yes, perfect. But if you trading on currency, gonna give you only 30 pips, 40 pips like that. Not much. And it's not going to go like your waist. Okay. Go up until here. Start here. And what happened? Price started to come back again. Come back to your zone. Come back again. Come back again. Right. Come back again. So you put your BE here, or maybe you put your break even here. Take everything is up. After you take your BEs, take everything off your entry point. After price get your BE, price continue going down again, but more further. You see? You get what I mean, right?
Yeah, so in H4 setup, price must I focus on the right eye. Wait for H1 engulfing. Then when price pull back, either I enter immediately or then I can make precise, but on the right eye after H1 from engulfing, right?
Yes, correct. Exactly. You have one cell already. Go
Okay,
wait,
so,
start
yeah,
entry.
yeah, can we go to M15 now? H1 mid, yeah, okay. So in that M15, what do you have?
See? More perfect. More better. More clear. Not confused. Just that. Boom. Melt down. Easy. So no need to look until left. A lot. You're gonna get confused a lot. Trust me. You're gonna give up after that. Seriously.
That's why, because I used to precise on the left too much.
No, don't do that. That's why I say put one straight line. If price already put back here, start closing candle here. That's the point where I ask you to put one straight line, because I don't want you to go up until left side to precise. You're gonna mess up everything. That's why I ask you to put here for you, just to see here, just to focus here. Don't look at here. No more. This is your past. This is your current.
Okay, so now, okay, this is my current. Now let's jump to H1 after that. Again. Yeah, so this H1 make like it give you engulfing cell to engulfing by field at the same time. Okay, price pull back there. We are focused on the right eye. Okay.
Yes.
This H1. When price pull back, let's go to M15 inside. Okay. So in M15, we have inside the H1 zone, we have M15 EG.
Yes.
Up. So I wait for price there, then price at that zone
it gives me another EG to EG.
Yep. Again,
So just immediately enter there.
immediately enter. And 15 already. Lower time frame already. Immediately enter.
Okay, then let the price to go.
Then, boom,
Okay.
boom. How many times already price give you? A lot. Not enough. Again. Another EG. Not enough again? Not confirm again? Not confident yet? How many times already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times.
And also the last time it also break, it give me engulfing sell with engulfing buy field.
This one, you mean?
No, the middle one.
Middle one here.
Yes, this one.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's giving you sell, but it's not the thing that we want because it's failed again.
No, I mean it give me engulfing sell with engulfing buy field.
Yeah. So take this. So here saying you, even though price give you engulfing fail selling, it give you sell, but it still fail again. But still a sign for you that price are going down. So it's good.
Yeah.
Already, that's it. You don't try to make things complicated. Make it easy. Try to simplify. I finished my 3 to 5 years this kind to just to figure out this technique, just to make it simple. I don't want to make it troublesome because trading itself is so complicated. I don't want to make it this technique more complicated. So that's why. That's why. Okay.
Yeah, but you know, this today I find like I solved like my two biggest problem. Just two things. First of all, the zones work. Because for me, as I told you, when I market H4 zone, just immediately I'll go and precise to H1, and you said this is wrong. First of all. And second of all, the one of the time frames, because sometimes I'm selling, it's a sell setup, but when I go 1 to 2 time frame higher, I find no need for selling.
So if you find one time frame higher, there's no such a thing for sell. Why you want to sell, right?
I just need to complete.
Yeah, you have to make it align with high time frame, low time frame. Only that you can.
Yeah, but according to what you see, the rest is all good. SOP, everything is good, right?
Yeah, everything is good. Except the thing that you don't check on high time frame.
Okay, start time frame.
Yeah. Okay. Check on
Yeah.
high time frames, everything. The answer is everything is in there. You don't check your high time frame, yeah, you do everything. Trust me.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay, understand? Clear?
Yeah, I understand it.
Okay, good. So next time later, don't forget about the task that I give it to you. Okay, I want to see the task and don't remember. Don't repeat the same mistake. Don't look until the left eyes. Focus on right eyes. Okay, focus on the
Okay.
right eyes. Right eyes give you the same thing and 3. Check weekly first. After weekly, after that go to the daily. After daily, only that fund is set up on H4. Just follow the flow. If you try to neglect any of this SOP, trust me, you're gonna blow your account. Doesn't matter how beautiful the structure is that. Okay? Perfect?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, great. Right. So that's about it about the everything's engulfing, and I want to see the task. And I hope you can complete the task in within the time given. If you need some times more, then you just let me know. Okay?
Okay.
All right, perfect. So if anything, let me know. If you want to ask anything, you want to share inside the group, also no problem. Just let me know. And later on, it's gonna take some time for me to convert the recording because it's a bit longer. So it's gonna take some time. After it's convert, I will send it to you in the Telegram. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. All right. Perfect, Siraj. So remember, okay, I trust you. Don't repeat your same mistake again and again and again. All right.
Inshallah.
Okay, all right. So Siraj, take care. Stay safe. Anything, let
Thank
me
you.
know. No
Okay,
problem.
bye.
All right,
Bye.
take care, okay? Take care. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.